Hi, thank you very much. Sailing week. We should have a sailing week, actually. We should have a sailing week. Is that a hat? I don't think you've seen that. I've never even seen this hat before.
Anyway, hi everyone. Hello. He understood me. Good for you. Hello.
Everybody. And there's Little Wick. Hello, everybody. Hope you're doing well. It's freaking warm. And yes, I'm wearing a fucking black t-shirt. Don't worry about it. Anyway, I'm dying. I'm just dying. I'm dying.
Anyway, we're here. We're being cool. We're chatting and then just doing some GTA. And maybe melt. You didn't get any of that, fan. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Hey, Starfish. Thank you very much. Is it Sailor Pingu Wick? Pingu Sailor? There's a command. Anyway, Pingu made it. Raid? Pingu? What's the command? There's a command. Anyway, Pingu in chat made it. They made it. Go commission them. No, there's a command, but I forget what the command is.
No, not him again. No, not him again.
It's fine. You can't see my roots because they're all under my hair. They're all on my hair. I need to remember. What is the command? What is the command? Hang on. Channel command. There we go. You're not being blamed for everything. What is it? Oh, okay. I can't find it. Oh, mix it up. It's breaking. Oh my God, things are breaking. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, I can't spell. Okay, that's fine. Pingu. Is it Sailor? Sailor? Hi, everybody. Oh, wait, hang on. Sorry. There we go. Look at my hat. Look at it. Does anyone recognize this hat, or has everyone seen this hat? Anyway, Pingu does stuff. Why is my music so loud? Sorry, I didn't turn it down. Sorry, chat. Fucking the heat is fucking melting my brain. It's fucking melting my brain. I hate it. Is it Pingu Wick? No. Is it? Because they also made the raid
Warwick
command.
Warwick drinking.
Pingu
Warwick
raid?
taking a drink.
No. Raid? Raid? Wick?
Yeah.
No. Why? I do not remember. I do not remember. Hang on, raid.
Leon97 has asked the book underscore sunshine.
Oh, that's so much noise.
Stream has this to say.
All right, talk over the show.
It appears I have lost clothing. Does anyone have a towel or something?
Miku raid.
No emotes.
Okay, so it's Miku raid. There we go. Pingu made the Miku raid, which you haven't seen today. But they also made the intro, and I know I made a command for that. I cannot remember it. Oh, Leon, that doesn't quite work. So the book can't answer that for you because it's more of a yes and no question. Or needs to be more of a yes and no. So it might have to be. Let me just wait. Let me just wait for a second. There's a lot going on.
Thebaitgan just resubscribed for 61 months at tier 1. Warwick, do not blame the penguins. If continued blame of the penguins happens, a child may incur some wrath. No emotes.
Oh, they might incur some rough. Oh, okay. Wait. That's not what I wanted to happen. Oh, okay. That hasn't worked. I'm fucking losing it, chat. Right, okay. There's a things I have to go through, so give me a second. Give me a second. Right. I deal with Backwind first. Backwind, thank you for that. That terrifies me. Thank you very much for 61 months. Can we get some hype in chat for 61 heck of months? Thank you. While you also hype, can also someone try to figure out what the command is for Pingu Sailor? Because is it Pingu? I don't know what it is. Anyway. Next. The command didn't work. So, I don't know if anyone noticed the TTS.
It's a duck.
There's a duck. Also, thank you for the hydrate. We're drinking Dr. Pepper. So, did anyone notice something wrong with the TTS? You may not notice it. It might just be me. Resub. Here we go. Okay. It was tier 1. Okay. Text to speech.
No.
No. Okay, so you didn't. Okay. So let me test it. Let me just test it. All right.
Warwick just resubscribed for 0 months at tier 1. Dollar message no emotes.
We'll play it again.
Warwick just resubscribed for 0 months at tier 1. Dollar message no emotes.
So they've updated Mix It Up. And you know I told you about that update about, hey, no longer emotes will be read. I guess the command isn't working. So it's now just saying
and substitute my own.
order text, and then it says message no emotes. Okay. I will worry about that later. Thanks for kicking me. I appreciate that. It's very warm right now. I only have one fan on. I may have to turn my second fan on, but I don't know how loud it is on the mic, so we'll find out in a second. Yeah. Anyway, I need someone else to resubscribe or do 100 bits or more to see if it's not working. I need you lot to give me money, and then you can't.
Now you can see my nipples.
That doesn't help.
Nipple.
I have a desk fan and I have a ring fan, but because I stream, it's really hard to negate fan noise. Not yes, nipples. It's not. I mean, we're getting there. We are getting there. We are getting there. Warwick is turning me on. Fan, I swear. I swear. No, I'm a sweaty mess. No. Anyway, I don't know if anyone recognized my hat. You probably won't. It's quite old. Right. I don't think that. No, that's not going to work. It needs to be a resubscription. Fanged. No, Pingu. It needs. I mean, we've got a hype train now. All right. It needs to be. Chat.
Fanged Viper 13 just gifted a sub to Bumfun.
It just cut everyone off.
All aboard the hype train.
Well, thank you for the sub for Audrey and Bum Fun. My head hurts, chat. My head hurts. Can you tell my head hurts?
Pity just gifted a sub to Odd Audrey Leary.
Would you enjoy good stuff? Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Anyway, I'm joking when I say need you, but if someone does any 100 bits or more, okay, he might still need a message in there, Kim, but we'll find out. All right. Okay, everyone shut up. Stop.
Kim Type just cheered 100 bits. Cheer 100 Warwick 12 Sharkic no emotes.
Well, no, that didn't work, did it?
Hype train level. Let's keep going.
Well, that clearly didn't work, did it? It just said the emotes and then the no emote message. Great. Awesome.
Bite Size just gifted a sub to Mobitron.
Oh, God, we got breaking news. In a minute. It's doing the bits first, and then it does it. Thank you for the bits, everybody. I love a hype train. Thank you.
Cheer
Okay.
100.
Right. Hang on. Wait. Breaking news! British VTuber melting live on stream. Doctors are clueless. Hazard response team stock up on Silica? What the fuck, silica? The hell, silica? What is that?
We love a hype train.
Is that the stuff that you put on your when you're burning? Oh, silicon and oxygen. Oh, okay. Is that when you get like really bad burns and it like stuff, or is it like a crystal? I don't know what the fuck's going on. Oh, there's a cat now. Is that the do not eat stuff? Why are you giving me that for? You're gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. Oh my god, chat. What are you doing? I don't need to. I mean, I appreciate you all. No, Tony. I don't know when it's going to appear. When is it going to appear?
200 bits.
There's a queue of stuff.
200 amaze.
When's it going to appear?
No emotes.
Are you at Comic Con? When's it? Oh, it didn't work. It didn't even work. Why did stop breaking my camera? It's because I'm wearing a hat, isn't it, chat? It's because I'm wearing a hat. Wait, I'm on the wrong screen! Fuck! was on the wrong screen.
I believe on the wind.
No! 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 Chat, you can see how red I'm getting because I'm not wearing my makeup today.
No.
No, you can't. Oh, okay, then no, fair enough. All right. What the fuck's going on? Right, okay. Okay. Not balls. Thank you for the high training, Roy. I appreciate it. So that camera's not working. You know what? It's funny. We'll just leave it. I haven't got time to fix it. It's fine. What am I trying to do? It's worked. Squish duck. Squish duck. There you go. Squish duck. Also, hi people. Oh, hi Sam. There you go. There you go, duck. You gave Warwick sugar. No, this is just natural energy. This is actually, you know what this is? You know what this is? Okay, there's going to be two answers here. One's going to be very cheesy. It's the duck. Chan, why are you lurking? Give me your ice cream. There you go, there's a duck. And there's a duck butt right there. There you go. Sincere, like, genuine answer is because of you lot giving me money. No, I just bounce off the energy from
Now
you
you can
guys.
see my nipples.
No, you. Why is it that command again?
Nipple.
I have more. Why is it that one again? We've just had that already. I have random ones. I'm not getting naked on stream. No. I'm wearing a YouTube t-shirt on Twitch. Isn't that funny? Anyway. It was a t-shirt that fit, but I don't want to wear because I've got TwitchCon coming up. So I was like, no. I know burping is a very natural part of the human body. I really don't like doing it on stream though. I really don't like it. Fuck! Anyway, yeah, so it's generally because of the energy that you lot give me. I'm not venting. Oh,
no.
Fucking hell, my graphics card is fucking overdrive right now because it's so warm. It's generally because of the energy you lot give me and I bounce off it. It makes me really happy and this is why I love streaming. However, it's worse on Saturdays because I normally finish work just before stream. So I literally have just finished the shift. I've finished an 8-hour shift doing all the sport. This is about 700, not 700, about 400 pictures. I've been about 300 because they were like, I don't fucking need this. I literally said that. I was like, I don't need this. Why is our focus? Stop sending me shit. And because I haven't had time to like decompress or like chill out like properly, like I will say I do work from home, so I'm able to relax and like sort of I'm able to manage my time. So I'm like, oh, okay, a football game's finished. I don't have a next event until this time. I can go for a quick walk, stretch, make some food, so I can sort of like be productive, but also not be productive. Like the benefits of working from home. And so I do have food. I still have all that stuff and everything else, but I'm not in the sense of just relaxing. I'm still sort of on it. So I really haven't time to really chill out. Also, it's fucking warm, so I haven't really slept, really. So there we go. And also, my hair is... Look, there you go, chat. If you look how bad. Also, look at that. Look at my forehead. Look at that fucking forehead. But yeah, look at those roots. Anyway, I want to show you my hat. It's from Epcot. It's quite an old hat, but I like it because it first of all fits my head, which is nice. Oh yeah, people who got some new emotes, which is quite cool. It's got like little cool tracks across it, which are quite nice, and it has a little logo. So that's like that's Epcot logo. Charlie, you need to stop doing this. You do this every year.
Emoji. Let's go.
It's in my head. Your text is in my head. Enter the giveaway chat. Yeah, Epcot. 35th anniversary hat. I don't know how. Enter the giveaway to win a Neon Wick mug, which is very nice. Tali, how dare you? How's Comic Con? You didn't talk Comic Con? By the way, I booked time off. God, there's so much to go on. I've booked time off, so I should be there for October Comic Con. I was able to get it off. Enter the giveaway. I'm going to enter as well. Fuck it. I'm going to enter. Fuck you lot. Chat, fuck you lot. I'm going to enter. You are there. Yes, let's go. Epcot 35th anniversary hats. Is it 35th or is it 25th? No, it's 35. Oh, okay. Oh, it's 10. Someone's got it for 10 quid. Oh, is that it? I thought it'd be worth a lot more than that. Oh, okay. Fine. Anyway, Charlie, thank you much. So, Charlie has, oh, there we go, here's that. Charlie has gifted a mug to the community. If you want to enter it, if you want to win it, enter it. And then once you enter it, I think it takes all your details. Or it does something. I think there's a link you have to click and you put your address in and it sends it over to you. The mugs are very good. Charlie, thank you much for supporting the channel. And also, it gives me money, which is always nice. I don't make a lot of money from my merch. It's mainly just I want people to have merch. Yes, I did win one last time. Yes, I want people to enjoy their merch. So it's very much like cost price. So I make like a few pence, if that. No, backward. I'm not sending it to you. You are safe. You can enter. You're allowed to enter. I do not deal with any of the postage. It's all done through Fourth Wall. I don't send it to you. Fourth Wall deal with it. So you are safe from me. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna catch you a chat. I have no idea what's going on. If there's a winner, make sure you help everyone out. Anyway, hi everyone. It's very warm right now. I hope you're doing well. I will turn my second fan on shortly, but not quite yet. I want to catch you a chat. First of all, how's everyone doing on this Saturday? I hope you're doing well. It's very, very, very warm. This is the hat that I'm currently wearing right now. It's an Epcot 35th anniversary hat. I love Epcot. Epcot's probably my favorite park of all the Disney parks. Second best is probably Disneyland, California, the main one, I think. Although I have a soft spot for Paris, but anyway. But yeah, this is the hat I'm wearing. I went when it was the 35th, so that was what year that was. I went there, and it was fun. And I haven't really worn this hat on stream, I don't think, but I really like it because it fits my head. But it's obviously wearing a bit thin at the moment. But yeah, it's like different like parts of the Epcot, and it's like combined. It's really nice. I like it. It's like a trucker hat, and it's like a mesh on the back. But I haven't bothered doing anything with my hair yet. I'm getting my hair cut on Tuesday, and I was like, I really cannot be bothered. Oh, who won the mug? I will find out in about half an hour. Excellent, cool. Anyway, Rainy, welcome in. Wide, welcome in. Leon, welcome in. Leon, so your question to your book, hi, is more of a yes and no type answer it needs to give. So you could reword that, and you can put it in chat if you want to. You can reword it, where rather than a, where is it? It was in my little list. Where's my list? Where's my list? There we go. How to combat travel society anxiety. So how I would reword it, you can reword it, or you can have a completely different answer. It has to be more of a yes or no. So like, if I do this, will this help? So if you have an example of how to combat travel, it's like, if I do this, will this help? Yes or no? And then that will give you a better answer. Fortunately, it doesn't have, there's only so many pages, so it's more of a yes and no. So it's like, it will go yes, no, maybe, never, ask your mother, or shit like that. But reword it for me. When I catch your message, then we'll do the book for you. All right, might be a little while, but I hope you're doing well. Anyway, Rennie, welcome in. Leon, welcome in. Amaze. Pingu, I know, I understand that. Oh, yeah, sorry. Well, yeah, Pingu, thank you for the gift of stuff. Okay, I missed some messages. I do apologize. You lot are chaotic. Wide, Midorial, Christmas Dragon, Pingu, and Void, one called kids. Leon thinks it's a chat love. Sunshine, thank you for sharing and going live post. Appreciate it very much. And Void as well. Dragon, thank you for the hydrate. Leon will do a book shortly. Sunshine with a 155 stream hacking streak. Oh my, it appears I have lost clothing. Does anyone have a towel or something? No, you don't. Just go naked. It's fine. It's easier. Back with you for the 61 hacking months. Appreciate it very much. Fang, thank you for giving us the bum fun, because that's a channel that's allowed on Twitch. Pingu, thank you for giving sub to Audrey. Thank you everyone for the hype train. Kim, thank you for 100 bits. Biosage, thank you for gift sub to the community. Kim for the 100 bits. Grumpy, thank you for doing the breaking news and break my stream. Oh, I need to do the thing. I need to do Labu before Tali. Hang on. Where's my channel points? Hang on. What did I call it? Oh, not breaking news. That's no. Where are you? There we go. There we go. There we go. There we we go. Right, so that's done. Spin the cat or Miku. Let's spin the cat. I don't know if it showed or not, but we can do it now. Oh, mix it up. Here we go. Spin the cat time. There you go. Okay, cool. Cat's done. Excellent. Randy Figure with 200 bits. Void Figure 100 bits. We did the duck. We did the dick duck. The amulets worked. Sadwick worked. All that worked. Thanks for doing the thing and thank you for the hype train. Cool. Excellent. Pingu welcome in. Chan welcome in. Leon welcome in. Pingu welcome in. Fan won the mug. Let's go. Mods are using the mod chat and Discord because I have to open at all times in case things are happening. Let's fucking go. I forget how it works. Tarly, let's go. No, don't go. Tarly, thank you much for supporting the channel. Chat, can we get a mods? Can you get a fuck? Get a fuck. Can we get a fucking chat? Don't get a fucking chat. Don't. I will ban you. Mods, can you get a shout out for Tarly? Help me. Help me. No, Kim. No. Delete. There you go, done. Why, motherfucker, I got run over my hype train. Good. Bye size. Hi. Leon, thank you for the gift of the community. Appreciate it. Stop doing stuff. Grubby, hi. Dragon World, Pingu, Void, welcome in. Orgy, welcome in. Hello. Ange, welcome in. Pimo, welcome in. Rennie, welcome in. Fanny, welcome in. Tally, welcome in. By size, welcome in. Warwick, welcome in. Jessica, welcome in. Kim, welcome in. Ems, welcome in. Shit. No, not shit. Shit. Grumpy. Oh, cat litter. I don't need cat litter as well. The camera can't handle it. The camera can't handle. No, it can't fucking. It's terrible. He is god awful. My graphics card, I can hear it from here. That's not good. Who gave Warwick sugar? No, this is the natural energy. Warwick, al natural, a natural. And yeah, I gotta forget the but gender can sort off. Yes. Warwick and natural. I smell natural as well. Welcome everybody. I used to use so many waffle points. There are now 69k left. You still have 69. You use so many, Orgy. That's too many. Today I did some sort of my craft stuff. Oh, let's go, Leon. Good work. Good work. Why do we need to hit a burp so we can rate them? Don't rate my burps. I don't want to be rated my burps, please. No. No, we're not doing any of that. My shed's too small. Really need to win the lottery to buy a decent house. I thought you said you won the lottery, Leon. I thought, wow, that's good on you. Well done. Why is it going to be warmer tomorrow? Don't tell me it's warmer tomorrow. In fact, you were venting if I'm in your stomach. I mean, let's not talk about my stomach right now. Oh, that's a cute little emote. Oh, that's a serve. Oh, that's a really nice emote. And it says the artist as well. That's nice. Anyway, chat, enjoy your emotes. Backman, what energy helps you be a chaotic child? Because you clearly can't blame work or chat for any of that. Again, it's just like... I don't like being sincere. That's a wild quote. Quote me on that. I don't like being sincere. What's actually mean of sincere? Sincere. Sincere meaning. Sincere means being free from pretense, deceit, or hypocrisy. I'm not trying to be. I'm not sincere. Yeah, I'm not sincere. I'm not being genuine. Okay, that's a great. Anyway, I hate being sincere. Anyway, no, I don't mean sincere. I mean nice. Yeah, that's better. That's better. I just like saying swears and swearing at you lot. I don't like being humble. No. It's all coming out now, chat. The heat's getting to me. It's all coming out now. Make it what you will. I like to make jokes of things rather than being like actually sincere about stuff. I think that makes sense. Yeah. Like if people go nice, so no, fuck off, you know, go to jail or whatever, you know, fuck off. And I don't like being nice. Oh my God, I'm terrible. I need to stop talking. That's what I need to do. But it's generally because of the jiggle. It's not because of jiggle. No, it's not because of jiggle. That's terrible timing. Who timed that? Fuck off. No, it's fine. It's whatever. It's because of jiggle. Jiggle all day. I can't remember. No, it's just because of the people around me. I'm very fortunate to be able to do what I do and I hang out with really cool people and make friends online and people that actually want to hang out with me and invite me to stuff and go, hey, I'm playing D&D with you. You're cool. Let's have fun. And I have a great time. Basically, I'm a good... If you have any self-doubt or imposter syndrome and you're Oh, breaking news! Streamers getting cancelled live on Twitch. They hate being kind and sincere. More at 11. Wait, what is that? What is that? Wait, I thought oh. Did I not turn the cooldown down after the first day? Did I not cool down the cooldown? I thought I put it to what? Oh, no, I did. I started with 1 day, 1 per stream, and I was like, oh no, for the first day we'll have it every half an hour. Well then, guess what? I can't be bothered to change it. No, it's if you're a DM. I mean, there's 2 of you out there because I play Get Your Games. But if you're a DM and I'm in your game at like half midnight my time or 2 o'clock in the morning, that should tell you how much I enjoy playing the games and being a part of a group. And for anyone else, it's just, I'm just very lucky to do what I do. And I'm also a really bad poker player. Fun fact, I actually do play poker. I've not played it for a while, but I do play poker. I like actually like in-house poker rather than online. Online shit, I hate online. But if I do, I sometimes play it in casinos. I'm terrible poker face. Fun fact though, I did pay for my entry fee for university, which was cool. I don't condone gambling at all. Although if you want to gamble, poker is probably the best because you can technically win with the worst hand. Every other casino game, blackjack, roulette, all the other stuff, all rigged to the house. You are literally, like, people go, oh, you know, it's hit this number, it's going to hit it again. No, you just you have no idea. The house will always win. The casino will always win. Poker, you do have to pay a bit to the house, like it's a percentage of the winnings. But poker, you are playing against other players. So it's rather than playing against the house, you can play house poker. Not house poker. Yeah, house poker. When you're playing against the house, you don't want to do that. You want to play against other players or like tournaments and stuff. Anyway, don't condone gambling. But anyway, if you do, poker's great. Anyway, I have a terrible poker face. And so when I'm like high energy and stuff, it's not because of sugar and stuff. Like I try to cut down the sugar because I just try to cut down because it's not good for you, like in quantities and stuff. And it's generally just a good vibes of, I think it's also because I had like a long day at work. It wasn't the worst. It could have been a lot worse. It could have been a lot better, but it could have been a hell of a lot worse. So it went fine. But because I'm doing a job which is very stressful when I'm doing it and stuff, and it can be really, real draining. When I'm able to stream, it really makes me feel happy. Especially on a Saturday, because Saturdays I tend to... It's weird that I'm not cancelling stream today. Like, I feel fine. I feel great. I feel absolutely fine. But normally, when I have like a really long day on the weekends, I normally have no energy. So I'm like, I need to just take Saturday off. So with the heat and everything else going on, I'm surprised that I was like, let's fucking go for it. And I partly think that's why I'm so like everywhere, because I'm just happy that I'm able to do this. Because I'm very lucky. I'm very, very lucky. I don't like admitting that I'm humble. I like to make sure that I'm like, I'm big-headed. I'm better than Swiss cheese. But speaking of cheese, who likes cheese? Anyway, let's do a cheese giveaway. Not today. It's going to fucking melt. But no, I'm just very appreciative that people just like hanging out. And also just people everyone's here for a different reason. All right, and I don't need your reasons, like whatever. You can do what you want, okay? It's fine. I'm not going to date you, okay? Happy. But what I will say, I mean apart from that, what I just said, what I mean is you might be here for whatever reason you're here for, but it always fills me with so much joy that people come from the stream and just feel a bit better about stuff. Like, life's still shit, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Life is shit. But it makes me happy when people after stream, they're either able to forget about stuff that's going on for a little while and have a bit of bit of chaos, or feel better about things, or even just feel connected and feel a part of something for a few hours. Because that's what I feel. Like, I've got a lot of shit to deal with. I've got back to work tomorrow and stuff, although I'm doing 12 to 8, but it's thankfully it seems better than it was today, so whatever happens tomorrow, great. But that's how I feel. I'm lucky. I feel drained after stream because I put a lot of energy into it, but I feel happy that I'm able to be connected with something and some people and just have you lot here and put up with my shenanigans and my bullshit and my half an hour delayed in chat. It really, really means a lot to me. So that's probably why I'm just that. And I don't know where I got the energy from because that's shit that I deal with. I don't even deal with, but like I do, because all my videos, everything I fucking edit and everything else is all my stuff and trying to schedule stuff. It's a fucking pain. But yeah, it's just, that's basically what it is, basically. So I'm just very lucky. So I never felt like I fitted in anywhere when I was growing up and stuff. And so it's nice to sort of feel like I belong somewhere and feel like, you know what, you are doing good, even though I don't feel like I'm doing good, you know? Anyway, fuck you all. Where's my money? You didn't give me enough money. That was what level hype train was that? That was level 2. Bullshit. Fucking bullshit. Chat, that was 18 minutes ago. You got 42 minutes to sort his shit out, all right? Good. Excellent. I will say, okay, seriousness, I'm glad I haven't been cancelled because the amount of fucking shit that I say on stream, that I guarantee if I was anywhere near bigger and it was clipped out of context, it would literally be on those fucking drama Twitters. Like, you see fucking Pokemon, whatever. Pokemon. Like, everyone's, like, you can have your opinions, I don't give a shit, whatever. Well, okay, it's fine, whatever. She's still a fucking human being at the end of the day. But she's, and other streamers like her sort of size, are clipped so much out of context. And I like Poke because she is quite sarcastic. Like, I don't agree with some of the things, like the cookies thing was like, you're charging $8 for fucking cookies. Like, what the fucking planet you on? But anyway, whatever. Money is greed anyway. But, like, there's clips that go, oh no, she said she was crying because people didn't give her a fucking big enough hype train. And she's like, can you not tell sarcasm? I know some people generally can't tell sarcasm, but these drama social channels go, oh, another entitled streamer. I was like, no, you just don't get a joke. But yeah, generally, I'm so like, I'm glad, but also like, I want to become, no, I actually don't want to become popular from fucking one of my bad takes. I think it's because I laugh afterwards, that helps. Anyway, screw you all. I love that. Do I have that?
I do. Well, no angry screw you all, chat. Fuck you. Look at my cat. Look at my cat. The spam my cat. Look at it. Also, I think
I may have fixed my my random voice thing. I think I fixed my random voice thing. I've moved the short keys. What do they call it? There's a word for it. Shorthand. Binding the keys. Sorry. Yeah, I've changed the key bind. I think it was one that I was using more often than not, apparently. Yeah, so
I spank myself.
Yeah, it says 29, but I think it said it was 32 on Monday, at least for me. Can you not heat up, please, graphics card? Thank you. I'll put fan on a second. Yeah, it's going to be... Fuck me. It's going to be 33 Celsius on Monday and Tuesday, 30 on Wednesday, 31 on Thursday. But then it's 23 on Saturday, apparently. What's Fahrenheit? That's 92 Fahrenheit, Monday and Tuesday. With no aircon. Like, I know I complain, as a British person, we complain about weather all the time, hence my title. But 92 Fahrenheit, or 32 Celsius, or 31, was it 31 or 32? 33 Celsius, or 92 Fahrenheit. That is in brick buildings that used to have fireplaces with no aircon. So, not to bash on the Americans. And 4 miles per hour winds. 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 miles per hour. Yeah, just, you know, we aren't built for this. We aren't built for this. All right, let's look at Rotterdam. Because that's happening next week. How is it happening? How is it? Rotterdam. How's it TwitchCon next week? By the way, I blame TwitchCon. Oh, now it's okay. So this is okay. This is the thing. This is the thing. Let me. So this is the thing, chat. Actually, does this show? Oh no, this is fine. I can show you this. I can show you this. So this is the thing with Rotterdam, which is confusing me slightly, and I'm hoping one of them is wrong. So Google, we love Google in this place, don't we? Don't activate. Okay, cool. We love Google in this place. Screen share. Does it show? No, it's fine. We're good. We're good. So, according to Google weather, it's apparently 29 now. Has it been 29 now? Anyway, it's going to be 27, 28, 31, 27, 26, 29, 31 on Saturday, which Fahrenheit, but 87. 87 on Saturday next week. All right? 6 miles an hour. All right? However, if we go to Aku weather, it's like Star Wars weather, Aku. Close. Fuck off ads. If you look at Aku weather, it has it as 25 Celsius on the Saturday. That's quite a big difference of Celsius, right? That's quite a big difference. 26, 25, and 26. The rain's gone, by the way. Oh, the rain might be big back with on Sunday, but yeah. Right now, it's 29. So that seems accurate. So I'm really, well, actually, I prefer it to be lower. Also, can I just say, the week afterwards, TwitchCon, the week fucking afterwards, the week afterwards, TwitchCon, where's that weather? It happens every TwitchCon. It just becomes a fucking heat wave. Like, I won't ever forget Paris. I love Paris. I love it so much. It was by far the worst TwitchCon. I mean, this would be my 4th one. I mean, it'd be 3 in Rotterdam, 1 in Paris, so I've got much to compare to. But Paris, I love Paris. It was so good. It was like almost like 40 at one point, and it was just so unbearable. It's horrible. But yeah, like, I want this weather. Like, maybe not the rain, because we've got a picnic happening next Saturday. But, like, I want those temperatures. But anyway, if it's between 31 and 24, I would gladly take the 25. Gladly take 25. Real shade, 24. Amazing. But yeah, anyway. We'll find out, I guess, won't we? Anyway, I've been packing. I've started to pack, chat. Also, if you are going to TwitchCon in Rotterdam, or you're in the area of TwitchCon, not actually TwitchCon itself, do let me and the Discord know. We have a Discord channel with TwitchCon and stuff happening. We're planning a park. No, we're not. We're not planning a park. We're planning a picnic in the park on the Saturday the 30th. I will be there for a couple of hours. I've got a lot of stuff going on in between, because unfortunately, as much as I love TwitchCon, because I do, I also have stuff that I need to do. Like, I have meetings, and I think I've got invited to a couple of Twitch things about stuff, which is quite fun. It's quite important. So that's interesting. But yeah, I've got a couple of hours during, I think it's like 2 until 4 Netherlands time, I think, give or take. But yeah, and also if you are going, or you're in the area and you're around on a Saturday, I'm giving some of my stuff away. Not this hat. This hat's staying because I need it for my hair. But I've posted pictures of stuff that I've been given by companies in the past. I may add some more. I haven't decided yet because of weight issues and stuff. But if you are interested in any of the stuff, I have updated the list because a couple of you have claimed stuff. So there's any stuff. There's a lot of TTRPG stuff which is up for grabs if anyone wants it. And then if not, then it will open up to the rest of the Discord of stuff that's still available. And then I'll be willing to send it to people if they are willing to, and within costs. I'm happy to do that. But anyway, check out the TwitchCon Discord channel in my Discord. Also, if you join the Discord, please let me know, because some people have joined. I'm like, I don't know who you are. Who the fuck are you? After Samantha being a little bit naughty, you may have very much very much time for the 30. Fan, shush you, all right? I will not get involved. Okay, you know what? I will, fan. I will. Okay, this 90% of you had no idea what's going on. Long story short, Southampton Football Club aren't a very good club. Actually, you may have heard of it because it was fucking news everywhere. They were caught spying on other teams. You're not allowed to do that. It's very naughty. A club did it Leeds years ago, and it wasn't technically a rule. They had a massive fine. Now it's in the rules, and Southampton did it. We meant to be the nice team, not anymore. Anyway, we caught doing it 3 times. And what's even worse was the people who did it, they forced an intern to go spy on these clubs. That's not good. Anyway, it was so bad. We've been fined like loads of money, like 4 million quid or something. We've lost 4 points for next season. So we're going to start the league with -4 points. You don't even have to know about sport to know that's not great. We can win a game, win 3 points, and still be -1. Anyway, but not only that, we were meant to be in the playoffs. And if we won the final, we would have gone to the Premier League. Because you got the Premier League, the league where Southampton's in. We had to win one more game. If we'd won that, we would have been in the Premier League with the Arsenals and the Chelseas and Liverpools and all that stuff. Very exciting. It was so bad, we got kicked out of it. Anyway, fucking fully deserved. But I'm also glad that Middlesbrough lost because I don't think they should have had another chance. They lost fair and square in those 2 matches. And I think Hull, who did win, Hull City, lovely place, love the name, Hull, Hull. I'm glad they won because I think they should have won it. I think they should have just got a straight automatic promotion from all the shit going on. Personally, no disrespect to Middlesbrough, but regardless of the 2 games or whatever happened around it, they technically still lost. So I don't think it was fair for them to be reinstated just because of what Southampton did. If anything, they should have redone the playoffs between Middlesbrough and Wrexham. Anyway, sport time is over for now. But anyway, fully deserved the punishments for Southampton, but I'm glad Hull won overall. But I don't think Middlesbrough should have. And again, this is not with the fans because like the fans don't deserve any of this shit. But I do think Middlesbrough shouldn't have got should have got reinstated just because it doesn't happen. Because Middlesbrough wasn't the only club that got spied on. It was also, I think it was Ipswich and Oxford. And so does that mean that affects their results? Like, I know Ipswich got promoted anyway, but anyway. Look it up. Just look up Southampton Football Club. You can just learn all about it. It's my home team. Woo! Anyway, it's fun. Fuck football. Anyway, is there any teams I can support, chat? Any good teams I can support for next season? Not Nottingham. Fuck Nottingham. Anyway, welcome everybody. Welcome in. Pink, I hate the heat. I had to go buy pants for the new job I'm starting next week, and with the heat and all the people as hell. I will say, Pinker, have you checked out? Do you have any Uniqlo around you, or potentially online? Because they do their, I think talk about it on stream on Monday, their air trim, like trousers. They're really, really nice. I can be a bit pricey compared to other trousers, but like they are very airy. They could be very good. Wide. Oh, Dahlia. Backward. I enter Leo, so my rare card got declined. You got declined because my passport is still in my old name, which don't match my paperwork, so I need to. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. I hate how strict. I find they're really strict with rail cards. Like anywhere else, like you go anywhere else, like yeah, that looks fine. Rail cards are like nope, everything has to fuck it. Like they are very strict. I'm thinking of buying another Wafflewick hoodie because mine somehow got a weird. Oh, got yellow stain in it. Oh, that sucks. Or tie dye could be fun. Ready? Was that to the hat? The hat's very cool. It's very cool. Hey, fan one. Yeah, fan. Go to redeem. I think you should go to redeem. Fun fact, wearing the neon wick hoodie right now as I'm... you're cold, Tyler. You're cold? Fan! You won the mug. Did you redeem it? So I'll DM them. Unless it... Is there a time you have to redeem it by? Oh, no, it isn't. No, you have to verify with Twitch and claim your price. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, so if you... Oh, I need to change... Oh, hang on. Let's get off dark mode. There we go. Oh, no, actually, put dark mode because it's bright yellow. Yeah, you got to verify your Twitch and claim your prize, so only fan can do it. So I'll message in the Discord, but thank you, Tiny, again, if you're still in chat for that. We appreciate that. Leon, we'll jump in on a train, bus, or plane, regardless of my travel anxiety, be beneficial. Oh, that's a good way of wording it, Leon. Okay, next question. There's a lot of questions. Do apologize. You'll get used to it. Old or new book? Old or new book? I would say the old book's a bit more set in its ways, and the new book's a bit more liberal. I guess. You want to wish me Merry Christmas? You can technically do that with the breaking news. So, breaking news, you can do whatever you want. Oh, Fan, you saw it. You thought, okay, Fan. Let me know, Fan, if you redeemed it. All right, so you got it sorted. Or I haven't even tie-dyed anything before. I've been hesitant to try it. You could try. Oh, fuck me! What? Breaking news. Good evening from Warwick City. Tonight's weather report arrives with suspicious levels of syrup drifting across the city in the heat. Our dear residents should expect sticky conditions and unusually shiny sidewalks. Do proceed carefully and stay away. Stay away from syrup puddles, sorry. Please use sensible footwear and avoid running unless absolutely necessary, as officials warn dramatic slipping incidents are very possible. Play GTA 5 indoors to avoid the syrup storm entirely. The Waffle broadcast. Anyway, there we go. Thank you, Em. Appreciate it. Was that half an hour? Jeez Louise. God, time flies when you're shit talking. Anyway, you want a fucking mod in chat? That's not what I said, just to go. No, I don't think that I might have said that. Did you just welcome yourself in? I did, but when I did. Do you want to Chan? No, I'm not doing anything to Chan. Shit, welcome in. Well, okay. I'm now caught up with the stuff that I've been saying. Okay, cool. I hate being sincere. I hate so much. The word is banned. The word is banned. Streamers getting cancelled. Oh, I thought, yeah, that's fine. Censors are a thing today. Censors are a thing today. The cooldown is not cool. If you ever need any insight to the stream, just summon a random quote. I'm sure. Oh yeah, the quotes do give you a lot of insight into the world of the streamer. Definitely. I think I only played poker in high school and I was the dealer and got to cut the winnings. We played for candy. Oh shit, that's a great. You know what? Plays a dealer. Perfect. I'm still wanting to join uni, but it's so expensive. Also feel odd. I mean, I didn't join uni straight away. I was a mature student, which is funny because I think you can be a mature student anything from like 21 onwards, I think. I think is if you're past the year that you're... what is it? I think a mature student is anything that you had like a gap between college, I think. They call it as mature student. Or mature is if you self-fund it or something, I think. Can't remember, they might change the laws, but it was just funny. It's like, oh yeah, mature student. I'm like, okay. Still in my 20s, but all right. But yeah, I took like a couple of years off from college and then went to uni, so nothing wrong with it, but it is quite expensive, and also is getting to a point where it's like, is uni really worth it? Just a guy. Okay, everyone shut up. Oh no, it's done.
Just Eggy40 just resubscribed for 67 months at tier 1. Apparently just only showed up now. Okay, Elul emotes.
Okay, there's a lot to unpack here. I swear, if anyone has a 67 emote, I will ban you. No, we're not going to have that because the meme's dead. First of all, the no emote command is not working because it's just reading no emotes, but it's saying emotes. That's fine. We'll fix that another day. Second of all, yeah, funny number. Ha ha. All right. Anyway, third of all, Teggy. We love Teggy in this stream. Fourth of all, Fox. Okay. Fifth of all, 67 months. That's a lot of months. Can we just spam some emotes, chat? We have many emotes you can spam. Do a command. It probably works. Just Guy, thank you so much for the 67 months. I really appreciate that. I cannot wait to get past 67 to 68 and to 69. And then you can get rid of your sub. It's fine. But thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. That's a heck in a lot of months. That's so many months. Also, Fox, how you doing? Welcome in. I'm sure that was a lovely welcome that you got from me. I'm sure I was very kind and courteous to you. I'm sure I was. Best gamble to do is give Warwick bits and they may compliment you or tell you to sod off. Second best is a roll of dice. No, I think dice is probably first. What would you say? I'm constantly surprised at how I know anything about poker. It all comes from Chuck Tingle, who's my favourite author. Really? You've mentioned Chuck Tingle a lot lately, haven't you? I'll have to check him out. Fang, I said hi to you, but hi. I'm here for cheese. Of course, hello, Stuck. You are here for cheese. There's no cheese here. See? The command says no cheese giveaway. I don't like the principle of gambling, but when I was having my intro week at uni, my host convinced me to join a round of poker and I won every one of them. Then they made a comment about how I should now like it a lot. I was like, why? I still don't like the principle of the thing. I kind of hate that apparently good at it. Yeah, that's fine. Like, I think that's fair. And also, like, what's great about poker? Well, what's great about poker? You don't need to gamble with it. You can just do it for, like, chips, as in, like, toy chips. Or,
I think they're trying to say something.
Like little plastic chips and stuff, or you can just like snacks or do whatever, or just like whatever. Like you don't have to just use it for money. You're being big-headed is not a problem. You have a big, nice cap. It's there to keep it in. Just keep it in. If you see it's rising, my head's getting bigger. God, look at that. Look at my forehead. No date, I'm out. Yeah, sorry, well, I'd sort of tell you. Here entirely to foist my fave movies onto you all like a nerd. No, here because it's awesome, but that's a fun bonus. Can I just say, who has seen Project Hail Mary? Who has seen Project Hail Mary? The world is on fire! God, it feels like it, doesn't it? Snap, I still feel like that. Oh, bless you. I have to deal with the situation that is the world with humour because it's the best way I know how to. It's either that or crying. More emphasis, thank you. Thanked, I believe everything you say 100% all the time, Warwick. Thanked, I don't doubt you. Funny enough, I don't doubt you. Wow, it was like that here last week. And yes, only May. I think it's because of TwitchCon. Every time there's a TwitchCon, it always seems to be really hot around it. I mean, that's the thing. Like, people say, why not just get AC? I'm like, it's not that easy. Our houses aren't built for it. Like, my windows are like fucking like really old. I think they're listed. That's how old the building is. Hang on. Right, hang on. I'm not going to dox myself again because I always did it on a Saturday. Is there a way to find out how old this building is? How old are the buildings in the place that I live? Oh, let's go to a house. Okay. No, it's 52. No. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Wait, what? It was listed in 1952. It's a lot older than that, surely. What? Sorry. Oh, date. Oh, it was completed. Completed. Here we go. That's better. Yeah. So let's go. For example, let's just pick a random house. I'm not going to show you, obviously. So there's a building. I'm not going to show, but there's a building which is a Costa, right? When was America founded? When was America founded? Yeah. You know how old am you in places that I live? Shut up, Jack. Shut up. Yeah, so America, the America that we know today was founded, not to get into, whatever, was the 4th of July, 1776. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There, in this little town or countryside or city, who knows, they are older than what we know as America. In fact, the building that has a Costa in it, let's say around 1500s. So, yeah. So a lot of our buildings are old. They are very, very old. Some of them are 100 years old. And unfortunately, the windows are not that modern to even take AC units, unfortunately. You can get like portable ones and stuff, but you know, they're a bit hazards. But a lot of our windows, and also I think how they're built, like some of them open out or in or something, there's laws or something all ridiculous, or some that open fully or whatever. Anyway, screw you all, it's warm in Britain, all right? So someone blown on you. I want someone to be blown on me. Yes, please. I want someone blown on me. That'd be better than 4 fucking miles per hour. We just had a couple of days of 90 Fahrenheit followed by 5 days of 60s. Like, that's the thing. Like, I think I wouldn't mind so much if it was gradual, but literally last week we had fucking hailstones. Literally last week we had hailstones. Granted, this is probably because of global warming, really, but it's still like, can we just like gradually build up to it? Not like, oh, it's like 12. Fuck it, 30. Let's fucking go. I'm like, no. Do we? I moved on from Google since I had we love Google here. We love Google. Wait, Tally. I forgot you guys. Tally, you my Discord. Get in my Discord. God, I'm so aggressive. I usually check on Brain Raider, which is a Dutch website, and find it most. Oh, what does it say, Audrey? What does it say? What does it say for temperatures? Let me know. I will look it up. Brain Raider. I have to pay? Fuck off. No. Rotterdam. All right. This is me trying to learn how to use this website. Okay. Oh, that means 5. Does that mean 5 days? It does mean 5 days. Okay. Oh, it only shows 5 days in advance. Okay. So I need to show you. Sorry, chat. Okay. So that's Saturday. That's Sunday. Oh, Z to S's, I guess. Okay. All right. And then we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All right. So apparently it's going to be max of 19. Oh, that's right now, not for the day. Okay. 27 tomorrow, 29, 31, 24. Okay. I like that. I like that on Wednesday. I like that. I'm not there for Wednesday, but I like that. Oh, you got some O2 on Monday, apparently. Yeah, you just have just O2, nothing else. On Tuesday, you have nitrogen. Oh shit! Yeah, some nitrogen. Oh, not high. Yeah, some. Yeah, nitrogen 2 today. No twos. No twos on tomorrow. You got no twos. You have O2 on Monday. Just O2. Just that's it. And then you got N again. So you got nitrogen again. So make sure you look on. That's on Tuesday. But then no freeze on Wednesday. So and apparently there's 0% chance of Zon. I mean, hey, 67. Wap 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 wap.
No.
Anyway, that's a weather update. It's not what I wanted. What's that? What? I can't stop it. I was meant to do this. But of course, my fat fucking fingers. Maybe I want to do stuff like that. I don't know. Let's try to be fucking funny. What I find funny is that every time I go to Pride, it's pissing down. It's trying to wash all the gay off you, Leon. That's what it is. It's gotta go, no gay for you. So wash your sins away. Audrey, the only issue with that website is that it's so commercial that you need to pay. Yeah, I saw that. It was like you would have paid like £6 a fucking day or something, or whatever it was. It was like €6. And then I was like, fuck off. Is that how old it is? Fuck me. That's quite an old build. Yeah, so because Byte knows everything about me because I dox everything about me. You can piece it together in my streams. Trust me, you can find it easily. My building is around the 18th century. That's how old my building is. So I think it's even... I might not be officially listed, but it's quite an old building. And yeah, so it's like, even if you want aircon, it's like, you can't... there's nowhere to fit an aircon, and that's a lot for a lot of the UK buildings, unfortunately. Which is why I think newer builds are now being designed with aircon in mind, just because of how temperature's been and stuff. I might have ice cream, might have fresh Starbucks coffee, I might have cold drinks for the picnic. Oh, well, there we go, chat. If you want even a more excuse to go, not just to see me, I was looking at a little Warwick amigurumi wearing their sunglasses, but for a second I thought you had giant goggles on. No, they got the sunglasses on because it's summertime. It does look like googly eyes. It does look like googly eyes. Now I put some sunglasses on them. Oh, it's a 23. I was going to buy a thermometer, but there's no shop near me that had one, so I wasn't able to buy one. They're really holding the victory. Yes, they did, Justin. You know what? You'd be a really good commentator. Well, join the Discord. Yeah, you joined it. Did you join it? Who the fuck are you? Get out of my Discord. Get out. It's fine. It's just I don't give a shit. I mean, you can do what you want in my Discord. You can do what you want. Also VIP in my Discord. There you go. VIP, brilliant. VIPPP. Also, you're going to TwitchCon. I'll give you TwitchCon. Like, you can do what you want. That's the wrong one. Fuck it. I'm giving you all the roles, Charlie. You're going to be a mod as well, apparently. No, you're not. There you go. You should better see channels. There's not too many channels. Familiar yourself with it, but there's a TwitchCon near the bottom, which we're talking about stuff. But yeah, I mainly use it to just plan stuff and let people know. Also, who the fuck is this? Who's Mezio? Like, so how my Discord works, chat, how my Discord works is normally people join. Oh yeah, let's say hi as well. Normally people join when I'm streaming because normally people get the link and join Discord. So I'm like, oh, I can sort of correlate like Tarly with them in chat or whatever, you know. But when people join randomly, I'm like, where the fuck did you come from? So, and I'm like, who the fuck is Mezio? Zerion? Who are you? Tell me. I will say though, I love how I do my Discord because touch wood. Way. Fucking the seat. That was a really weird laugh, like a Burns laugh. What was I talking about? Fuck knows. Feet. No, I have to manually approve people joining Discord. So a lot of Discords, and you can do what you want, but a lot of Discords have a bot. So you have to go like follow the rules, and you go yeah, and you click them, and then you're allowed in Discord. I do have the rules, but I also have to give you the role manually.
I'm too cute.
I am cute, thank you very much. If you join before being enrolled, then you only see like 4 channels, which is my going live channel, my schedule, who I am, and that's it, I think. Maybe one more. It's basically ones that I'm like, promote myself. But I manually approve everybody who joins Discord because the reason why is I can go, oh, okay, I don't know who you are. You have like 10 billion numbers in your name, and you say, DM me for graphic artist in your bio. I think you're a bot, so I chuck them out. But because of that, we haven't had, again, touchwood, to this day, not had a single issue. It was really funny because, God, was it Orange Banana? What was their names? Some twat who really did not like me. I mean, some people on Twitter randomly, I will see like viral tweets and stuff, and I reply or like whatever, and I will see random people just have me blocked. I'm like, that's fucking hilarious. But it wasn't really this person just really didn't like me, and they tried to hate train in the stream. I was like, whatever. Then they tried it on Twitch, on my Discord, so on Discord. And it was so funny because they got caught. They were not able to do anything. Because I think, I can't remember what stream it was, but you can see it. We were looking at it live. Like, they were all trying to join Discord, but because I had that rule in place that I have to manually approve it, they could do jack shit. They could not do anything. But yeah, the only downside is it means that if I don't see it, like if I'm sleeping, then you're locked in purgatory until I awoken and check it out and stuff. But yeah, it's helped keep the Discord safe. Between 14 and 23, no rain, and wind direction is north. Oh, it means north force 1. Oh, doesn't mean nitrogen. Oh, okay. I thought like things were like going really bad in Rotterdam. But yeah, anyway, I support Norwich. Rainy, as much as I love City, I cannot support Liverpool. They sold too many of our players, and I don't like them for that reason. What year was it where they just stole all our players? It was like Ricky Lambert, Lallana, Mane. It was like so many of our team were like, can we fucking compete? No, Liverpool just take all our players. I was like, all right, cool, thank you for that. Yeah. Also, I don't like Spurs. I hope if you like Spurs, I'm sorry. I really hope you get relegated tomorrow. I think it'd be the fucking funniest thing in the world. It'd be so funny because like you got like $1 billion stadium. Like the stadium's like NFL level, which is fine because they host NFL stuff, but it's literally NFL size. Like a lot of our stadiums are quite small, especially like the lower leagues. I prefer lower league, but I think it's more like actual football premierships, too much money, blah 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 blah. But Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, which is based in London, their stadium's like NFL size. It's fucking huge. It's a gorgeous stadium. Like if you like that stuff. But it'd be so fucking funny if you got relegated, because it'd just be so funny. But I will say, if you are a Spurs fan or whatever, it's fine. Okay, I'm sure you're used to it. If you do get relegated, I can guarantee you'll be the sole focus for that whole season. Every single game of yours will be televised by default, because there's no way they wouldn't, because it's like the biggest thing to be relegated in like 20, 30 years or whatever it is. You'll make so much money just by being relegated. So much as it sucks that you get relegated because you go to a lower league, you would make so much money from it just because of just the news around it and stuff. And also, you get to play Millwall. That's fun. Oh, interesting. Good to know. Good to know. I will change. Sort. But yeah, it'd be fucking funny. Yeah, no, Manchester fans, but would rather have Hull win the Premiership. At least their team has been a fun attacking team. 100%. Hull is very much like Hull City Football Club. You might have seen their badge, Hull City FC, which they did get promoted. Wow, thanks Google. You're really on it. Google, you're really on it, aren't you? Google, you're really fucking on it, aren't you? Google, you're that's the wrong screen, Warwick. Hang on. You're really on it, aren't you? Cancelled. Yeah, it wasn't cancelled. It wasn't cancelled. Santa got kicked out. Google, cancelled. I'm like, no, no, Hull played. Did they play? Fucking. Anyway, Hull City, they won. But a little tiger. I think there was a bit of an uproar a few years ago when they were going to change the name to like Hull City Tigers or something. But anyway, but they literally, as fans said. By the way, fan, let us know if you did the link for the mug. They literally went up with like zero money because they had like an embargo. They couldn't buy any players or something. And they played good football. Like I think they deserved it. I mean, I would like to see Saints promoted, but we did what we did, and we have to deal with it. And it's gonna be. I guarantee next season will be first game will be against Middlesbrough, 100%. Or Wrexham. Nah, I don't know. I don't know. Too Welsh for me. Not yet. Okay, thank you. I don't think it expires, Frank. I don't think it expires. I think you're good. Maduro. Idea for covering the stain, sewing a badge. Oh, that's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea. Just noticed there's still a little Christmas tree in the corner of the lodge. Is there? Keep it until next Christmas. It's Christmas Dragon. How many days till Christmas? How many days? Oh no, Fan, it's not on Discord. It's not on Discord. I don't know if people got to it. Fan, it's not on Discord. There's a link. There's a link. Hello, Fox. Good morning, you crusty crew. And Pinky, you lost the game. Fantastic. Yeah, skip to 420. Exactly. We don't make 6, 7 jokes in this house. We make 6, 9 jokes like mature adults. Absolutely. Absolutely. Just got home from... how was your vacation? Where did you go, Fox? Anywhere nice? There's no cheese. I'm stuck, shut up. All right. That's a weird one. Hey! Zexfer?
Warwick drinking.
Zex
Warwick
Zep?
taking a drink. Everyone else should, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Yeah. Zeptor? Anyway, Zeptor King GG, hi. Hello, have you ever played Perfect Exile 2? If not, I recommend looking at a new updates trailer. It's sick as fuck. I don't give a flying fuck about Perfect Exile 2. I'm very sorry. It's not my game. I have no need. Fuck.
Sorry. I'm sure it's a fun game. Sure people enjoy it. I have no interest whatsoever. Unless Daft Punk's in it. If Daft Punk's in it, then it might have a bit of interest. But if not, then I have zero interest. So no. You never seen it, Rainy? Shut up, you. When I was a kid, I played poker with broken matches. Broken house. So yeah, broken matches. Perfect. Great as well. Yeah. But no. Project Hail Mary is so goddamn good. It's so fucking good. It's so good. I just looked up how much it is to rent, buy, or see it in the cinema and why does stuff cost money? Because money sucks, Majorial. Just get ready to host it in Discord. How to test something is old. Lick it. Yes. 1776 was a nation. Yeah, so we've got buildings that are older than your country. Another answer is when they kicked out the British. I mean, sucks to be you. But yeah, our builders are fucking old. We give the ADHD when F gets excited, existence goes haywire. I wish we didn't do that. Oxygen. Oh wait, do I know my chemistry right? Yeah, oxygen. Yes, oxygen. Don't get me wrong. I love the heat during the day, but I hate humidity. It's the humidity that's it. But like none of the wind, like air. Like California. I love California weather. Like it's. I mean, I say I love it. Like the weather right now. It's colder in California than it is in fucking UK, right? So screw you all. It's 22 Celsius today, all right? When I went, was it October or September? September. I think it's quite warm September. Okay. Palm Springs, yeah. So about yeah. So I think I had a friend who lived in, was it Palm Springs? Was that South California? Yes, yeah, Palm Springs. So yeah, about mid-30s, so very, very hot. But because there was like a breeze, it wasn't humid at all. It felt so nice. It was so nice. Actually, can I find my old Insta? Let's dox Warwick again. By going to my old Instagram. I think I've got a picture of a car that I rented. It was convertible, but it was a convertible that was a bit different. I mean, I could just find the image of the car, I guess. Just want to see if I can actually find the image of what I took. No, I do not. No, okay, that's fine. Maybe it's good because I'll dox myself. It was a Volkswagen Beetle convertible that we rented out. I think it was like a darker blue. Oh no, it might actually been. I think it was a red. I think it was a red, or maybe dark, can't remember what color it was. But yeah, it was a Volkswagen Beetle convertible. It was amazing. It was so good. It was actually a pretty good car. Actually, I've never driven a Beetle before, but yeah. Like, it's weird if you try to rent a car in America, like airports. Like in UK, you get like designated a car. Like, here's the keys to your car, blah blah blah. In America, it's like, yeah, pick a car. I'm like, wait, really? It's like, yeah, the keys are in the car. I'm like, wait, what? Yeah, just pick whatever one you like. I'm like, all right. Okay. I was like, all right. Very odd. I don't know if that's always like that or just in airports. But yeah. And I was like, fuck it, let's get a fucking... It was so nice. It was so nice. I'll try to find a picture one day if I can. Who's quitting? 22. Yeah, 22% of the sun. Yep. New book, please. New book. Okay, new book. We'll get there eventually on it. Unfortunately, I will say with books, it does take a while on when I can catch up with chat because I have to make sure that we can stop the book when you see. Pay 30 quid for the anime site I use. That's for the... Oh, for the year. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. You mean you're only going to Twitch to see me? I mean, absolutely. Don't start a war mode Discord, please. I can't. I haven't got the energy to deal with that. I haven't got the energy to deal with that. Wait. Quick question, chat. Because P-Mum just DM me saying they cannot wave or react to people joining the Discord. Is it only mods can react? I think it is, isn't it? Rather safe than sorry. Exactly. You know what you get when you first comment a person has a chat is Discord. Yeah, when it's a message, I'm like, okay, let's keep an eye on that. Let's keep an eye on that. The Spurs suck now when the sun. Yeah, exactly. So many of the players left and Kane as well. Yeah, sports ball, the kinky kind. No, all that. Yeah, Chad, you know the kinky kind, or the kinky kind, as I said, the kinky balls. I really want to see Spurs in Championship. I would love to see this. I would love to see like plays like Lincoln versus Spurs or Mill v Spurs. It'd be so good. It'd be so good to see like Lincoln going to fucking Spurs Stadium. It'd be fucking incredible. Who's in Championship now? Because it's been covered. Championship. 2026, 2027. Trying to see what teams like Stoke. Well, no, Stoke used to be Premier League. That's not as bad. Bristol City, Preston. Oh God! Imagine. Who else has gone up? Who came up? Did Exeter come up? I know I come up. Sorry, I need to stop talking about fucking sport. Still trying to get a pool team together. Have my first game though against Drunk Dude. Ah, you won! Let's go! Beat the Drunks. 216. Thank you, Dragon. 216 sleeps till Christmas. Almost less than 200 days. It's almost a month until half Christmas, which will be fun. Oh, good. Chan, hey, I have my Christmas tree up still as well. I'm currently crocheting butterflies on it, so it's now the summer tree. I can't take it down because Lucy loves to sleep under it. That's fucking adorable. That's adorable. You're in Aussie land. Oh, how's the big spiders in there, Fox? Were they big? Daft Punk and Ryan Gosling after last night. Daft Punk. I'm always happy to host any movie and any festivals that get broadcast here. Ems, Sophie and I watched Nothing But Fees at BBC Radio One Big Weekend Festival in Hangout. I wasn't able to hang out because it was a bit too busy. No, I have got it. I just can't be bothered to use it because I have to log in with stuff or don't, and I can't be bothered. It's just been lazy. I like living risks. That also reminds me, I've been really in the mood to watch some Red Dwarf. Ooh, Red Dwarf would be fun. I like Red Dwarf. It was a red kind of deeper blue. Yeah, shut up. I can't remember. It was a bright. It was one of the prime. I can't fucking remember. I was driving it. Yep. Oh, you have no permissions. Oh, interested. Okay, I might change that then. Good to know. You went for Slot's retirement. He won't retire. He won't go anywhere. So he'll be there for 1 more year, I think, because it costs too much money to go now, I think. I live in Stoke as a shit tip. Stoke's fine. I know how Stoke's like, Stoke's the butt of the jokes with football. It's like, okay, they can score a hat-trick on Saturdays, but have they done it at Stoke on a Tuesday night? Lincoln, Cardiff, and the winners of Bolton. Oh, Bolton, Stockport haven't played. They play tomorrow. That's right. That's right. But imagine like Bolton imagine Stockport v Spurs. But that'd be fucking great. Anyway, it's fine. Anyway, I call my chat. There we go. Chat. Anyway, where you wanted a new book, didn't you? New book. Leon, say stop. You want me to stop? Just put the word stop in chat. I hope it's not the end of chat, Fox. But yeah, Fox, how many big spiders did you see? Fucking, I would love to visit Australia because I would love to visit Australia if it was for the fireworks. I just don't want to go because the big spiders. I'm like, no, I'm good, thank you. Right, Leon asked a revised question. Also, chat, do you like my hat? Like, generally, do you think it suits me? I quite like it, but I'm just waiting because I couldn't be bothered doing my hair. Leon, where are you? There you are. Messages. I do like Kaiju Manzi. I'm a boomer. Will jumping on the train, bus, or plane, regardless of my travel anxiety, be beneficial? There we go. So that's Leon's answer. So Leon's asked that question, and we've got the book here. We've got the liberal book. It's the end of the chat as we know it. Anyway, we're going to find out if it's beneficial, or traveling is beneficial for Leon or not. So everyone, drum rolls please in chat. We're going to find out, and we'll do some GTA. Or not, who knows? But it might be broken. So the answer, Leon, is good luck. Oh, wow, that's... Oh, all right, okay, well. Don't bet on it. All right. Okay. Well, don't travel then. Cool, excellent. Well, yep, cool. Unless chat can spin that. Don't believe the book, but we can't. We have to. Maybe not beneficial, but just fun. Yeah, don't bet anxiety. That's actually a very good question. Don't bet anxiety. Okay, I'm gonna pick for you in the old book. There we go. And the old book would have said, we can't take this answer because I picked it randomly. There's no... If you missed it, the old book says it is certain. Well, of course it fucking did. You know what? Do whatever you want with your life. Fuck the books. What about the third book? Don't bet it's certain. What about the old book that Drag made? Fuck off. Eat the dice. Eat the fucking dice. Oh, I'll bring this to TwitchCon, by the way. Because it's quite delicate, so I don't really use them much. But yeah, and also because it says eat dice in there. Yeah, don't bet it is certain. Eat the dice. What a life lesson to take. All right, chat. We're gonna test something. All right, we're gonna test something. Okay. Can you hear the fan? And if you can, is it distracting when I talk? Oh, fucking hell. I'm so sorry. Oh. No, Tally, no. I'm going to ban you from TwitchCon. I'm going to tell the security to not let you in. I have that power, apparently. It's the bit that gives you the answers you need, not want. Wow, Drag. Is that just for your book? Is that just for your book? Is that just your book? I've currently just now turned on the second fan. Was that a pressure for shut up, Grumpy? Yeah, it was. They got a ticket. No. No way. It says no fan when I'm not talking, and they're virtually not audible when talking. Oh shit. I fucking know what I'm doing with my order, apparently. Let's fucking go. All right. Excellent. There you go. Right. Okay. I'm going to rant now. Actually, I need to not turn my music off because I think the music off will be a bit more noticeable. Sorry, this is some... Kim, I'm not calling you out, Kim. I need to ask you a question because I know you listen to the same podcast as me. Kim. You know Distractable? Kim, you're not being called out, Kim. You're not being called out. You're fine. Piccolo, get up. You're not being called out, Kim. But you listen to Distractable, don't you? Actually, anyone who listens to Distractable, then you might be able to chime in. But I know Kim does. Do you notice? You may not because I do. But do you notice Bob's mic? You got them? Did you get the merch? I keep trying. I keep selling out. They keep selling out. Kim, when their merch releases, please DM me because I keep missing it out. Keep missing their merch. So I really wanted the moving one. It looks really nice, but it's fine. Anyway, Bob's mic, and I know why it does it. But there's three guys. There's Markiplier. Oh, sorry, 2 seconds, chat. Wow, I can't even know where my fucking head is. There's Markiplier, there's Wade or Lord Minion 777 billion, and then there's Bob. Oh! Bob. Oh, actually, Leon, before, don't listen to the book. Please travel if you want to. Don't listen to the book. Especially for stuff like that. It sounds really nice. Also, Asia sounds lovely. So do it. Don't let the book stop you. Anyway, I noticed with Bob, and I know why it does, because he has AC on when he's talking. But if you listen to, there's a few. Can I bring up an example? But there's this tiny like haze, like a fan is on when he's speaking. Some people are a lot worse, but I really notice with when Bob speaks. I can't find an example right now, but anyway, and I'm sure people have seen it in streams. Like, you know, when someone's got a mic, when they've got a fan or AC on, because you notice it you notice it quite distinctly when they're talking. When they're not talking, they normally there's no, like, the noise gate stops or noise gate kicks in, so nothing comes through. But when you're talking, because it opens up the noise gate, and so you're talking, then noises around it will come into play. I need to stop fucking burping. Yeah, it's like a ting. It's like a tinging. Exactly. It's like a tinging. You do notice it? Okay, cool. It's not just me. It's tiny, but I know, because especially when Mike's the fourth person in the group. Mark and even Wade, when they speak, it's fine. It's perfect. When they're speaking, there's nothing like, it's crisp. I love it. Like, audio's like, mwah. Bob, and I know why, because it's probably very warm. Romy needs AC on. I get that. But I do notice it. So anyway, my point is, if I can sort out my fucking audio, even with a tiny, you can hear it, then people with more money and potentially more better equipment should be better do it as well. There we go. I'm calling out Bob Myscombe. There you go. Fuck you, Bob. I like what you do. I'm very happy for you and your wife or your kid. It's cool. Random streamer calls out Bob Myscombe from Distractable.
Quack, quack. I'm a duck.
Oh! Breaking news! Warwick hates Bob confirmed! Amazing. Anyway, there you go. Well, that was all. That was my whole tangent about that. That's fine. Anyway, I've got another thing to ask you, chap. I've got another thing to ask you. Can you read that? I can't do dark mode with Google Forms, unfortunately. But Lime, Shy Lily, and Siren are hosting a VTuber thing on Sunday. Is it Sunday? Yeah, Sunday at TwitchCon. And they're asking people to apply to chance to join them on stage to show off something special about them. Do I bother or not? Or do I just sit in the crowd? And if I do, what should I do? Just like, let us know what you would like to do on stage. Ask for advice, relationship problems, general life questions, share a story, and our VTubers will give their opinion. Showcase talent. I think they'll be on screen, but they'll be like a moderator, but it'll still be on screen. It does work. Show your cosplay, perform a talent live on stage, and our VTubers will react. Am I the a-hole? Yeah, okay, I want to do, but what do I do? Share personal am I the asshole story on stage, and our VTubers will weigh in. Share your passion, PowerPoint presentation, which I have no time to make a PowerPoint, or favorite moment video, or other ideas. But I would like to, but also like, I don't know. Do it and tell them about anime or not. So okay, so no, because I have asked Lime to be on the show. Not to leak my DMs and stuff, but I have asked her. I think she said she was busy at the time. It's like I think it was earlier this year and stuff. So donut. Okay, I do like donuts. Am I that passionate enough to talk about donuts though? I do like donuts though. But yeah, it'd be weird because I've technically already asked Lime, so I'd be like, hey, I'm asking you again on stream, and if anything, like I know you're joking obviously, but if anything, it would be like seem very pushy. That I'm like, hey, I'm not talking about eating dice. I don't do that. You lot do that. I don't do that. Talent for waffling. I mean, is that a talent, bite size? Talk about balls, onions, and waffles. Yeah, that's a great thing to talk about TwitchCon. Yeah, balls, onions, waffles. Chat, you're fake. I'm so glad I asked you. I'm so glad I'm so glad I got advice from you. Like, thank you. Fox, don't let the spiders scare you off from visiting Australia. We only saw a few big ones out of the wild. No, that's one too many. And they'll leave you be if you leave them be. We've got a tour to open Opera House. Oh, I want to go to Opera House. I would love to see the Opera House. Leon, for me, it's fun being to see crappy people in the world. And travel is expensive. Travel is expensive. Okay, good. Yeah. Some people will take the book very seriously. Bite size. Not bite size, bite bitten. Sorry, bite size, calling you out on stream. Bob and the Bob Conspiracy. I do notice. It does notice. But all jokes aside, I was surprised I got distracted shit. I thought it was sold out. Yeah, I looked and it was sold out and stuff. But yeah, if you see it again, please let me know. So I'm trying to get some of their merch. VTuber like their concert as in con in their home. Oh, in their home, yeah. Sit in the audience with a signed Academy reject. Oh, none of them were involved, so I don't think anyone would get it. If it was Iron Mouse, then maybe. I mean, like, if nothing else, I could just ask them a question. Like, what's the one thing you would do if you want to become a VTuber? Maybe. Or something. Thank you, thanks. Thank you, thanked. Never change. But I guess I must have to have gift of gab. Not everyone can put off a rant or tangent and still be coherent. I mean, I do appreciate that. I don't see it as a talent. I just see it as a... Sea Dog's very cool. Sea Dog's very cool. I wish I was him. Screw the book. Don't actually bite. We know what you think about the book. We even got a sneaky peek of a rehearsal in the Opera House. Really? Originally made venture capital. I believe VTubers just love onions. Am I the asshole? I called out a VTuber event because they're using AI. Am I the asshole? The book is a jerk. Both. Which one? Bite size. Which one? Eat the book and then burn the pages. Leon, maybe for some fun. I know. I thought like I could get involved or could just watch and sit and enjoy it, but I don't know. But thank you, all of them. Okay, all of them. All right, cool. Thanks, thanks, chat. Really helpful, really fucking helpful. You know what? Pat the back to everybody. Do a barrel roll. Yeah. What do you want to do? Barrel. Can I do a barrel roll though? Thanks. I don't think I can. I think I can. I think I tried. I don't think I've ever tried, but no, I'm good. Actually, you know what, Fang? You do a barrel roll. Yeah, everyone do a barrel roll right now. Everyone do a barrel roll right now. Do you have a barrel handy that we can find out? I don't think you need... Wait. Are you... Wait. What is your definition of a barrel roll, Fangs? Are you rolling with a barrel? Midoriel. Stop encouraging Fang's behavior. Barrel, dice, or GameStop energy drink. I mean, you can sit in the audience to relax, and if it needs be, you can still yell some random things mid-event. Yeah, like, I would like to be involved, but I'm also like, other people can probably get involved because they're probably like, the thing is, right, as much as like I like being involved with stuff, I'm in a position that I can technically speak to these VTubers anyway, as a streamer. Like, I've spoken to Lime a couple of times and stuff. Nothing's better to get planned because time is terrible. But I'm in a position that I can speak to them and stuff and not hang out, but just chat with them. Or at the very least interact with them. Where a lot of people probably watching probably never have a chance to do that. So it'd probably be nice for them to be like them to get involved rather than the streamer. Rolling the barrel while also doing the maneuver. Fanged, you know what? If you can do that, Fanged, I will give you a ticket to TwitchCon. If you can do a barrel roll in a roll with a barrel, yeah. If you can do a barrel roll in a barrel, I will give you a ticket to TwitchCon. There you go. I will pay with it my own money, and then do a subathon afterwards because I need the money back. Or refund it. You know what? I will take Tali's ticket and give it to you, Fang. There you go. What's the game again in which they say do a barrel roll? I think I remember Angry Video Games Nurse. I have no idea. All I know is I love the quote, do a flip from Bender. It's one of my favorite clips. It's really dark. It's so funny. You know what, chat? Futurama video time. This is the new ones. Normally it's Simpsons, but today's Futurama.
Spectre will be here in exactly 1 second. Who the hell are you?
Morgan Proctor, bureaucrat grade 19.
Hermes Conrad.
There's no caption,
bureaucrat
sorry,
grade 36.
Enough friendly banter. Shall we begin the inspection?
This way, please.
Geez, Hermes, you seem awfully calm about this.
Don't worry, I have a plan. I'm going to jump!
No!
Do a flip!
Calm about this.
Don't worry, I have a plan. I'm going to jump!
No!
Do a flip!
It's too late.
Like, I know it's really dark, but also it's just really... I just love badges like, just do a flip.
I'm going to jump!
No!
Do a flip!
It's one of my favorite quotes from Futurama. But it's, when I remember first seeing that and just being so taken aback. Because obviously it's quite dark, but it's like, do a flip. Also, I really like, sorry, with Futurama time, Bender, Hooker's Blackjack. This is one of my favorite quotes. Oh, there's closed captioning on this one next.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna go build my own theme park with blackjack and hookers. In fact, forget the park.
So, context, he basically got kicked out. What the... Who are you? He got kicked out from... There's on the moon, it become like a tourist attraction in Futurama. and you get kicked out because whatever. But I used it a couple times, like get not kicked out for someone, but don't go somewhere. I was like, fine, we'll make our own club with hookers and blackjack. Forget the club.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna go build my own theme park with blackjack and hookers. In fact,
forget the park. Oh, I fucking love Futurama. It's so good. I haven't watched the latest one. I don't know if it was any good or not, but anyway. Hello, Ara. Hey, everyone. I'm here after being killed in a Phasma community stream. Wait, who killed you? Was it a ghost? Or was it one of the community members? That's fine. Don't know about a community of them. Whose community was it? I'll call them out on stream. What's the game again which they say? Oh, Barrel. That's it. Yeah, it's the Star Fox. Star Fox. I don't want to take the ticket, so I'll hold off until next time. All right, thanks. Okay. All right, thanks. All right. I'm considering making bed on the couch. Not my living room is cooler. I think it's a good idea. Good idea. Yeah, the highest levels all died. They're lovely. Okay, I let them off. Wait, one of the discourse is called Blackjack and Hookers. That's almost certainly then a Bender Futurama reference then, Audrey. I got to make an edging joke. You know what? Wait, did you die because of that? Wait, did you die because of the edging joke? Oh yeah, the image of the sofa is Bender. See, now you know where that's from, Audrey. See? What a full small fucking world. Yeah, say 100%. Yeah, so that's literally that quote. So I'm guessing, I don't know what the server's about, but I'm guessing they made their own server. So like, fine, we'll make our own server with blackjack and hookers. Forget the server. I died because I tried to call out EMF 5, but that would have been funnier. Oh, you knew. Okay, good. Today I found out there's a silly Easter egg if you Google do a barrel roll. Does it actually do a barrel roll, doesn't it? Yeah. That's quite funny. I don't like there's AI involved, but it is quite funny. I like, is it Minecraft? If you search Minecraft. Yeah, if you search Minecraft, not that I like using Google at the moment because of AI shit, but if you type just Minecraft and you click a little Minecraft button, which is, yeah, if you type Minecraft and you press that, and then if you want to get rid of it, I will say it's pretty cool. But yeah, if you do a barrel roll, do a roll barrel. Oh, do a roll barrel doesn't come up. Do a barrel roll. Whee! Not a fan of that. What else is there? If you search up port, no. Anyway, should we do some GTA, you buggers? Should we do some GTAs? Yeah, I moved on from Google because the AI stuff, no new Firefox. I mean, isn't Firefox, not to shame you, Kim, I'm not trying to pick on you, but isn't Firefox, aren't they pushing the AI stuff as well? Do they go back on that? Name was chosen after Internet Drama and we had to exclude people from the original server because they kept in touch with people that other members were restraining ordered against. Sorry, Audrey. Fan, take care, much love. I hate it so much. I hate the internet so much. I hate the internet so fucking much. Google now, yeah. Job happened then originally got a server, got a different blackjack who could server started running cool people. I like that. I think that's cool. I think that's good reference, I think. Firefox has an AI disable option. Oh, they do? Oh, okay, cool. That's right. Can we ban 6.7? No, I think it's become so popular that it will just die on its own. It's normally when brands get onto it and then it becomes uncool. You remember like Morbin Time? It's Morbin Time, like, you know that meme, which is very funny. And it died. You know what? It died because fucking Jared Leto got in on the joke. We're like, no, mate, you just killed it. That was the joke. You just got involved and then you killed it. Fucking love Morbin Time. It's Morbin Time. Oh, the fucking meme. Oh, this is one of my favorite memes, is this one here. I love this meme so much. Because everyone's like, oh yeah, he's saying Morbin Time. And it was a meme because it made like shit all money. And then people were posting, it's like, yeah, Morbin Time. Morbius, $32 billion in the box office. But yeah, fucking Jared Leto got in on the joke, I think. Hang on, Jared Leto. Yeah, he joined the trend. And he just killed it. He shared this. He's like, oh, just looking at the new script, that's all. And it was Morbius 2, it's Morbin Time. And it's like, oh, you just killed the meme, dude. You just completely, you're like, this is someone who just does not get it. You can tell because we're Tron Legacy, Tron Ares. But this is a guy who just doesn't get it. He's like, oh, I'm funny as well. Ha, 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 look at me, I'm in the joke. I'm like, no, mate. You're in a really bad movies. Stop it. But yeah, it's like when brands get involved with stuff, it's like, oh, now the meme's died. So I think this brand's taking 6.7. Now hopefully it will just die naturally, hopefully anyway. But the story of Morbius is so funny. Because does anyone know the story of Morbius? I know it came out a few years ago. But it was so funny that people were making so many memes. It literally died in the box office. But because people were memeing on it so hard, Sony, we love Sony, Sony's so business savvy, they were like, oh, maybe people like the movie. And everyone was memeing, legit memeing with stuff like Moment Time, like this. It's like, oh my God, if you re-release it, like there's another one, yeah, 203%. If you re-release it, we'll definitely watch it. And Sony believed it. Sony was like, oh, okay, we'll re-release it in cinema. People want to watch it. It bombed again. And then they're trying to go, no. Then they were like, no, sorry. We were busy that day. We were busy. We were busy. Double asteroid reduction test. What the fuck is that? I don't know what you just sent me. Oh. Double asteroid reduction test. Oh, okay. That's fun. All right. Byte just sent me a link. Don't worry about it. You can put it in chat if you want. Byte. Wide. Good news. Good. Wait. I got something for this. I got something. Wait. Fuck off. Get out of my way. Oh my God. Get out of my way, Spotify. Get out of my way. Wait.
Yes.
Right.
I see. Good news, everyone. Yeah.
My hospital started threatening to send my account to a collection, so I applied for financial assistance to buy myself some more time to pay it down as much as possible. Shockingly, they actually approved my application and cleared about $2,000 worth of debt of $2,000 of overdue charges. Let's fucking go. Good news indeed. Right, that's awesome. The really eerie thing about Morbius was Doctor Who actor Matt Smith as a villain. He sounded like the Doctor. He moved like the Doctor. He was an imposter. It was just such a bad movie. The whole Sony villain verse, like with Venom. Venom was probably better of all of them. They were like, at least I think Venom was self-aware. I think Venom was self-aware where the others weren't. Like Madam Web. and who's the one that Aaron Taylor Johnson played? Krampus, not Krampus. That's not a villain. Kane the Conqueror. Is it Kane the Conqueror or something? Kang, or Kraven. Oh wait, Kang Conqueror is Marvel. Craven the Hunter, yeah. That's it. Kang is Marvel, which is a whole other thing. Hollow Knight. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's nice. I like that one. I like that. Hang on, let me show you. If you search Hollow Knight chat, there's a little button here. The actress of Madame Web, was she the one that started to refuse to do any promo for movies? Yes, that was Dakota Johnson, I think it was, yeah. Yeah, she just basically just refused to because it was so bad. Like, again, I like, if you're in bad movies, I'm all for people getting a paycheck. Just because it's a movie doesn't mean, like, everyone's got to work. Everyone's got to work. I know the Bugman one. Everyone's got to work, and I'm all for people just getting a paycheck, and that is fine by me. But at the end of the day, the only people that use, like, I think the people who, like, waste their money are the executives and the producers who really need to lose their money because they have too much fucking money. So I'm fully on board with actors and stuff getting a paycheck and going, no, let's just do a bad movie. Like, I think she didn't really know. She's like, yeah, just turn up, just read a script. I don't really know, but I have no idea. I was like, you know what, fair play. Anyway, yeah, memes get used by companies all the time and then die. God, are they still fucking going? Hello, Hyde. And she was the main character in 50 Shades of Grey, so for her to stop promo reams. That's the thing as well. Like, she was fucking in the promos for 50 Shades of Grey. So she was fine with that. And she's like, you know, Morbius? Nah, I'm good. Nah, I'm good. Nah, I'm all right. Nah, I'm all right. God, this, oh my God. Anyway, let's dance, chat. Let's dance. What up? Load up. Minecraft? No, Minecraft. What am I playing? GTA, that's what I'm playing. There we go. Are we on GTA chat? We are on GTA. Excellent.
Throw them all like into the river.
Don't throw me in the river. Value the day. Value the day. Right, game, will you work? Come on, game. Oh, it's working, chat. Wow. Game? What are you doing up there? Game? What are you doing up there? Game? 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 Welcome to this. Finish Man comes out of lurking at the same time as Sam Lake. A Finish Man stars dancing on screen. Properly on a lake. Anyway, let me go to settings and fix this. It's working, sort of. No, not display. Oh, apparently not display. Under graphics. I pressed the wrong button, didn't I? I pressed the wrong resolution. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Cool. Right. We're good. We're good. We're good. Right, so it looks like it's working. Hello, everybody. We're on GJ Chaos mod. This is a fun little mod. We're gonna play for a little bit because I'm quite tired, but also I've got D&D in 2 hours, so I need to eat between that before that time. I'm gonna be on Backwinds channel, which is I can't click away from the game. Oh, I need to change settings again. Fuck me. Hang on. That's all. No, it's not. No, it's. Why did you stop her? Orgy, much love. Take care. Have good luck. Oh, very nice, bye. Very nice.
Warwick, drinking, Warwick, taking a drink. Everyone else should, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Yeah.
I don't understand that. How's the quality look, chat? How does it look alright with the game? Does it look alright? Or does it look a little bit blurry? I guess we'll find out when we get the game. Anyway, what I was going to do? Oh, that's right. I was going to shout out Backwin. He's going to be on their channel in a couple of hours. There you go. Play more Resident Evil D&D. Anyway, okay. We'll check out when the game loads, then we might need a bit different. Anyway. Yeah, so this is Chaos mod for GTA. It works like a Chaos mod, funny enough. You enter numbers in the chat, 1 to 4 and 5 to 8, and whoever gets the most votes happens in game, and it's every 30 seconds, and I hate my life. That is related to the game. Not 42. I don't think 42 works. So, for example, if everyone does... Do free. I want new clothes. Give me free. Let's put Trevor some random clothes. Yeah, so hopefully Trevor should get some new clothes. If it works. I really like the beard and the headphones. Right, anyway, it's working. Did you break it? No. There's a cooldown bite. If you look, someone did it just before you. That's why there's a cooldown. My bot. I will say, I know my streams break a lot. Warwick doesn't break often, so if the command doesn't go, you're fine. If the command doesn't go, it's almost the same because there's a cooldown. That's all. It's not a bit, it's a bee swarm. Right, so I don't like Trevor. Can we move to someone else for today? Also, we still have to do the heist, but the heist, I need a longer stream to do the heist. We still need to do the Merryweather heist, and there's so much. Okay, who are we picking? Michael or Oh, what have you done, chat?
Hey, I'm going.
I think Franklin doesn't. I think. There's Franklin, everybody. Oh, wow, okay. Oh, it's fake. It's got to be fake. The fire engine is on fire!
No way!
Well, anyway, We're with Franklin, everybody. So, what has Franklin got to do in this map? What has he got to do? What's going on here? There's a skull. Is this for Franklin? Is B Franklin? Oh wait, strip club. Let's go to the strip club. Do you have companion and lamb on as well on the screen? I have no idea, Bite. You're the first person to ask about it. Do I? I have no idea. If I do, turn it off. You can turn it off on your end. I have no idea. On Warwick, I do not. No, so it might just be you. If you click the little box above you, if you got it, just turn it off. I'm gonna go play my game. Oh, never mind. Franklin exploded. Yeah. We'll manage if it comes up. Okay. Okay, bye. Then I don't. Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, I know, but like, look, you have to, okay, this is for anyone in chat. You have to realize when you go, oh, is this a thing? Yeah, I know we can't see the game because I've turned the game off for a second because I'm sorting out the fucking overlay. There you go, it's now off. There you go. Oh, where am I? Okay, we're going to strip club. Strip club. Let's run there. There's so many explosions. Right. Who's Brad? I don't know who is Brad. Teleport random predator into. I don't know where my vehicle is, but you've put random pets in my vehicle. Wait, is my vehicle in my house? Is my vehicle? Where is my vehicle? Where is my vehicle? X! Welcome in, Raiders! You came for the cars, you got a big fag. Perfect timing, X.
X Straight just raided in with their community. Miku Beam.
Oh, it might be where Tonya. Oh, God. Have I still not done Tonya yet? Have I still not done Tonya yet? How we still haven't done that mission yet? How have I been? Has it been like 6 months I've not done any of these missions? How? Yeah, it's the tow truck. It's the tow truck. We haven't finished it yet somehow. X, how was your stream? Hope you had a good stream. Right, we're gonna go get our car, which I'm guessing is by our house. Oh no, I can. No, I will. We're gonna go to my house, so I think it's there, to see what pets are in my vehicle, then grab my vehicle, and then drive to a strip club. X, how was your stream? Hope you had a good stream. Thanks for everyone bobbing in for the raid. We appreciate it. Make sure you follow X. X is a wonderful human being and also artist in that order. Oh, fake a chat. Now a bit quiet. I can hear you now, chat. How's everyone doing? I haven't done it yet. No idea about the name spelling. That's a great Warwick quote. I mean, if you want to ask the mods, go mods, make it a quote. Oh, don't go in the rain, fire. That's the word. You know when all the plans you have about stream don't work? That was it. I ended up yapping and looking at my magic cards. I'm sorry that your plans didn't go through, but I hope you had a good stream regardless. Where is my house? Oh, it's this way. Chat, this isn't helping me. And you has it, they are not extra straight. No, they are. They're just hard in it. You see? I love the muffled audio. Where's my house? Chat, where is my house? Okay, here's my... Oh, I found my house! Is my car here?
I definitely don't want to sniff for that. You
could at least ask for permission to use the house.
My car's not here. My car's not even... Where's my car? I can't... Is my auntie yelling at me? Oh, she's not... I'm not allowed in. Oh, apparently I've got to stop and stare, so I can't do it. Oh, can I not... Can I... Oh, I'm not allowed in my house. Oh, I'm not... What? Bees! Fucking bees! It's Trevor's bees! Tonya, we're not talking to Tonya. Tonya can fuck off. Tonya can fuck off. I'm not talking to Tonya. Tonya can fuck off. We're going to a strip club. Franklin needs it. And got bees. The bees are coming with me. The bees are my friend now. Oh, sorry. Exit. There we go. Bees!
Punk motherfucker! Man, fuck this shit.
I'll take it. Right. Alright, where is the... Wait, map. Who's honking? Alright, B. Wait, is B not for me? Oh, wait, blue. Am I not blue? Oh, I think that's Michael. Do I... Are you... Let's go do Beverly! Let's go do Beverly! Let's go say hi to Beverly, apparently. Right, Beverly, let's go to Beverly. Beverly... Border bees! Bees! I wasn't paying attention. What the hell? Alright. Who's honking? Honkai Starro is. Stop U-turning me! Fuck. At least the game's running, alright? Oh! Alright. Sorry. Sorry, my bad. Sorry. Traffic's terrible, isn't it? Yeah, it's really bad. Sorry, my bad. I'm sorry, but my bad. No!
Nice drive.
Oh, don't explode! Trap! Alright, I'll take that. That's a great landing. Nice. Cool. Everyone's got an RPG. Okay, cool. My car's still driving. All around me are familiar faces. Oh god, it's going very slowly up this hill. It's going very, very slowly up this hill. Very slowly. Alright, we're good. One more. Oh, chat. Thanks, chat. Oh no! Why have we done none of these missions? Why? I want to eat my mic. I wish I could eat my mic. I really wish I could eat my mic. How?
You got this.
But the...
Oh, please.
How?
Retirement.
How have we not done this? How have we...
Hey, homie, come here. You know what? If you thought it was incredible getting a shot of that aging trout the other day, you just wait till we get a picture of Poppy Mitchell getting in a dirt box, man.
Beverly, good to see you.
No, seriously, dude, it is a backdoor bonanza where that bitch is concerned. Ah!
America's newest sweetheart.
Where's my car gone?
She likes cotton candy and puppy.
Yeah, and getting in the bunghole. Wow. No, seriously, dude. one shot of that dirty little slut monkey, and we're in the money, homie. We're in the money.
And who says America is going to hell?
Well, not me. Come on, let's move. Now, remember, dude, this is a covert op. We need to blend in ninja style. Follow my lead.
Chat, can I just go through a list for you?
But forgettable.
Replace current vehicle.
Yeah. Me and you.
Remove current vehicle. Add max upgrades to every vehicle.
This should be fucking interesting.
I don't have a vehicle. Where's my vehicle? Will this be my vehicle? Oh, the cars look nice. I'm sure they look lovely.
What do you want me to do? I'm at work. Just change his diaper. It's not that hard.
Beyblades? Oh.
I don't care if it smells like number 2.
Ignore it, Franklin. Ignore it. Ignore it. Ignore it. Ignore it. Ignore it. Ignore it.
Hey, Maria. How's it going?
You know, another day, another minimum wage.
You see the state of Bungalow 3?
And around and around.
Come on. They should be just past this pool.
I'm having deja vu. I'm really having deja vu.
They're right around this corner. Are you ready to see America's sweetheart getting in? Here, you take the camera. She knows me, dude. I'll keep lookout.
So give me a second. Oh, you're alive. Oh, I thought you were dead. Oh, okay. All right.
Quick, we need to get this on film.
Is that good, babe?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Really?
Yes. Oh, you're so big.
I know. Now, I must say,
Try pointing the camera towards the celebrity, you idiot.
I'm only a virgin for TV.
Really?
I mean, I always wash afterwards and jump up and down, so it doesn't count.
What?
I'm not releasing a sex tape for at least 3 years, unless my agent tells me to.
What? I thought this... I love you.
What's up, man? Thanks for having me.
I thought we'd be the cutest teen couple.
But Justin, you're 21 and I'm 24. We only say we're teens for marketing purposes.
That's not true.
Okay, just get on with it, will you? Hungry.
You know what? This might be better because it's censored for Twitch.
Oh, shit! Security! Abort! Abort! This way! Come on! Go, go, go!
Give me that camera!
Move, move, move! Let's go!
Oh, that was a lot of noise. Oh, that was a lot of noise. Jeez Louise, that was a lot of noise.
Oh, shit! Security! Abort! Abort!
Oh, I can now see what's going on now.
Come on! Go, go, go!
We have to watch it. No, thankfully we do not have to watch it again.
Get in! Get in!
Whoa, whoa!
They're still coming after us! Well, don't just sit there! Film that psycho slut!
Damn! America's sweetheart is one angry-ass bitch.
Yeah, I know! She's terrifying! It's perfect! I'll try to lose them!
I was working on my quads, you idiot!
Straight road coming up! This is your chance to get a good shot of her!
Man, you not the one hanging out this fucking trunk.
You people are scum!
Man, it's gonna get worse before it get better. Whoa, whoa! What the hell, man? That motherfucker's right on top of us, dawg.
I'm taking a sharp right. Keep that camera on her.
Those two men are child molesters!
I'm gonna go left and cut across the intersection. Hold on.
Yeah, fuck you too, man.
You have no idea what I'm capable of!
Move! Come on, man! Hit the gas!
Oh, what is going on around us? What is going on around us? Oh, I hear, oh my god, the damage we're doing around us.
This crazy ass bitch!
Ah, shit! We got traffic ahead!
Oh, the screaming.
Going left! Keep it steady!
I will fucking destroy you! And everyone who knows you!
Jesus, she's still on us!
No!
Screw this! I'm going through the construction site!
Was that...
No!
Man, shit! I hope this didn't just turn into a snuff movie.
Whatever, she's fine. I'll wipe the audio. Oh, I can just see the headlines now.
I never complained.
Crashes car
I never complained.
Sex
I was just concerned that a plane landed on us. Chat, you haven't, have you? Oh, you haven't.
Another
okay, we're right.
experience, homie.
Someone's got to do it.
I really don't think so.
Hey, look. If you don't want to become rich beyond your wildest dreams while performing a vital public service, you won't meet me again. But then again, you're not an idiot.
No, I am a fucking idiot.
Oh, let's go. It's fake. It's fake. It's fake. Fucking game. Stop it. Stop it. Fucking game. Alright, cool. We did a mission. Let's go. What we got now? Fucking Tonya. Fucking Tonya. Ah, fine. Alright, Tonya. Give me your bike. Give me your bike. Give me your bike. Give me your bike. Yeah. Give me your bike. Let's go!
Bitch ass bullshit.
Really? Whee! Oh, new clothes. Oh, we've got a helmet. We have a cycling helmet. Thank you, chat. Thank you for thinking of my safety. She talks too much in this game. She does talk a little bit, doesn't she? That's not a problem, though. It's you lot. Oh! Fuck.
That's dumb luck right there.
Hi, Tonya.
Whoa, man, whoa! You fucked the wrong guy.
Where's...
What the fuck?
Oh, there's cougars! No! I was like, where's Tonya gone? Where's Tonya gone? Fucking hot. Oh, it's right. Oh, the cougars came to meet me in the hospital. That's nice of them. Let me just get my RPG. A folded screen. Okay. Thanks, chap. It's just a little round ball. Where are we going, Trevor? All right, we're going to say hi to Tonya. Okay, so let's turn... Which way are we facing? Right, we want to face this way, right? Is it this way? Yeah, this way. And then right, left, right. Oh, let's go! How am I double key stuck? I wish it was raining. No. Okay, where? Oh my god, I'm slightly further away. Oh, this is a good off. This is a. Alright, exit. This is a horrible car. It handles terribly. You know when you wish you just shouldn't say anything? Oh, it turns so bad! The turning is so bad. Bounce. Chat. 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 I think it's here, isn't it?
Hey, boo. I knew you couldn't stay away.
There's a bit of a thunderstorm going on, Tanya, but alright.
Clean your raggedy bitch ass up.
Fuck you, Lamar. I mean, Franklin or whatever. Everybody on the block knows you gone on Vinewood and shit.
Well, shit, if going Vinewood means I ain't hitting the pipe like
Where's my car?
shit,
Is that my car?
Okay, ass.
What?
Tanya, get up, woman! Oops. Oh. Oh, Tanya's with me. Hi, Tanya. How's it going?
Don't tell me it's been repoed. That'd be some karma, see?
Tanya's part of this. Tanya's part of
You
this.
never could say no to me, Franklin Clinton. I ain't so cracked out I don't remember that night behind the burger
Where's
shop.
Tanya?
Not this again.
Tanya, where? But
what, we was like 13.
But you was a man after that night.
Tanya, get off of the roof! Woman!
And nothing even happened.
Oh,
It's
nice.
all good, baby. I know that wound ain't healed.
Why can't I see his mouth? Why is that new? That's... Oh, I... Oh, wait, I know why. Because it's virtual reality. It's virtual fucking reality. Don't go anywhere, Warwick. Don't. Okay, you're toasted, I'm bread and you're toasted. All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on, Tanya. Come on, Tanya. Is that my car?
Hey,
Don't!
wait up. I don't run in these shoes.
Get in my car! All right, let's... What? My camera's locked. I'm in my mum's car. My camera's locked. All right. Okay. Oh, we lost a monkey. We lost a monkey. Breaking news, we just lost a monkey.
That's our truck. You know the drill.
No! That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Oh, it's never good when you get a message request on Discord, is it? Fan, are you in Discord? Fan, are you in chat? It's not in Discord, it's in chat. Fourth wall. Test. Oh, I can't click on their name. Okay. Oh, wait, hang on. User fourth wall. Fan, you got to click on that link. They may not be in chat. Give me just a second. All good, all good. And then you got to log into your Twitch through that link. Then it knows that you won, and then you put your details in, and it will send a mug to you. There we go. There shouldn't be a time limit. As far as I know, there isn't one anyway. If there is, then they'll let me know. We'll sort it out for you. But if it's all right. Hey chat, how are you enjoying GTA Chaos mod? Do you like it? He's not chaotic enough. It brings me joy. I'm glad it does. I'm glad it gives people something. Not chaotic enough. X. I mean, I can put it to 15 seconds. It's on pause half the time. So I'm yeah, because I keep pausing it because I need to do stuff. My cam is still locked. We have beat. No! Get it, Tony! Get it! Get it! Get it! Hey, you got Let's go! There we go. You ruined him. Let's go. I was like, what the fuck is that noise? That's new. No! How? Oh my god, chat! I need to raise my money. Oh god, I need to up my money on my merch. I just got a transaction, a notification from my bank. I'm not joking, by the way. Money out, £1.35 from Fourth Wall. I might be losing money. I might have to up my prices slightly. I don't make my merch to make money. Like I really don't. But I had it slightly. I haven't updated it for a couple of years, so probably things will probably go up price. I need to update it. I need to update my merch, so I might be losing money. That's really funny. Yeah. So that might cost me £1.35. That's really funny.
Drinking Warwick.
Yeah, I might need to up my prices.
Everyone else should, but you don't.
So I don't get
want to
charged every time someone buys merch off me. That's really funny. But yeah, I don't make my merch to make money. Like generally, the only one I do is the Pride t-shirts. I mean, if you want to buy all my merch, and if you buy it, then at least you got something. I guess it would be a fair price to pay. But that's really funny. That's really funny. He's still alive. He's still alive. The Space Ranger is still alive. I think they disappear after certain time. I can't even get my fucking rocket launcher! I think he goes after the 4th try. I think. Reset, I think. Yeah. The bees are still here. I love how the game has saved this car for me.
You never could say no to me, Franklin Clinton. I ain't so cracked out I don't remember that night behind the burger shop.
Not this again. What, we was like 13?
But you was a man after that night.
I have to.
Damn, every time with
I
this
have
shit,
to.
and nothing even happened.
I have to.
Baby.
You know what time it is, chat. Oh, where am I? What was that, chat? Again? All right. We never take humans. Why is it raining so much? Oh. I just want to look at that tree, Brad. Oh, no, again. Oh, it's gone. Oh, it's an earthquake. Oh, shit. Tanya! Let's roll. Get in the car. 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 Oh, that was perfect end to the music with me, with Tonya dying. It was even me. Right, you good now, Tonya? Flying cars! Get in the car. We need to fly with the. Get in the fucking car. Get in the fucking car.
You never could say no to me, Franklin couldn't. I ain't so cracked out I don't remember that night behind the burger shop.
Not this again. What, we was like 13?
But you was a man after that night.
Oh, God!
Damn,
slow down! Slow down! Slow down!
Nothing even happened.
It's all good, baby. I know that wound ain't healed.
Who's buying merch and making me lose money?
Mug and one other item.
Who's making me lose money? Who's making me lose money?
This don't make no fucking sense.
No, it doesn't make any fucking. Tonya, what? Oh, we're out. All right. Favor who have bought merch. How much money have I just lost? Let's find out. Thank you very much for buying merch, by the way. Genuinely appreciate it. Get in the fucking mech.
That's our truck. You know the drill.
Oh, you bought on top as well, fan. Oh, thank you. Get in, Tonya. I want to fly. I want to fly. I want to fly. I want to fly. I want to fucking fly. How much money do I lose? Oh, so far nothing. Your payment method? Oh god, I need to look at that after stream. Right, let's go. Oh, we got lag. All right, we got lag.
Oh hell!
What the flight? I can't.
Dispatch. What you got?
10-4. We got an SUV in a handicapped spot without a sticker at the Lucky Plucker in Little Seoul. Do you copy?
You know I don't copy. I'm an original.
I've had the taxi.
JB still
Get
sick.
off.
Man, you sure you need me? Cause you look like you know what you doing.
One,
Franklin dead. Shh, I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game.
This work for a lady.
Oh, you really fighting the feminist cause there, ain't you,
Paris shipping anyway.
Like
Might as well move some more works.
I saw her fake
Oh,
jogging
thank you.
the other day.
I will say I don't see with football. I do not see your address.
Chanting some whacked out nonsense. That
It's
bitch
actually
is
handled by them, not by me.
crazy.
Which is one of the benefits of the merch, because I don't see any of your details.
Qualifications, honey.
It's all dealt through them.
you do.
I got a certificate in cosmetology.
Well, thank you, though. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You never seen my nails.
What, you going into space now?
You always did
How
think
much
you
you
were
hate
so
this is how much I love it. Yeah, I think fair enough. I think there's a love-hate relationship.
At that school.
You got your math on the corner.
I think this might be chat's favourite thing that I do on stream, outside of the yapping. I would like to do other missions though.
Get your head in the game.
Tonya, I swear to God, Tonya, there's content, Warwick. Yes. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Where would you be without what? Without GTA? Exclusive combat. Okay, no one fight me, please. Why is my turning so bad? Chat, would you say this is your favourite thing that I do on stream, not including yapping?
Oh hell!
Well, no!
Some action movie shit.
No, it's not. It's just noise, Tonya. Tonya, this is just noise. We're stuck. We're stuck. Don't be stuck. We got so close. We are so close. Oh, I hit chat. Oh, I can move my thing up and down. One day you'll... There we go. There we fucking go. I knew it. One day you'll join a GTA RPG server and you will not be able to do anything because we just would not let you play the game once. Unfortunately, I don't think the Chaos mod works on online. So I think I'll be lucky. But what would be? I would love to do G2. Where's that head's gone?
Dispatch, what you got?
10-4. We got an SUV and a handicapped spot without a sticker at the Lucky Plucker.
Why is there a rap? There's a.
You know I don't copy.
Excuse me.
I'm an original. Yeah, we got you. JB still sick.
Man, you sure you need me?
Look out!
Cause you look like you know what you doing.
What is going on?
I don't know, Tanya.
Franklin, look
Yes.
where you going.
Yes, sorry.
I ain't
My
playing,
bad.
Franklin. This is our meal ticket you messing with.
Who died first? Oh, the toy truck. The tow truck died first. Thing we need to know is the game's doing it to you. We didn't start strategy in a war. He's trying to get me there sooner, I think. Oh, he's still going.
Oh my God!
And now engine is half the speed.
What you got?
Chat.
10-4. We got an SUV and a handicapped spot without a sticker at the Lucky Plucker.
But how's stream handling, by the way, chat? Is it being any? Why is
You
that
know I
car
don't
in the
copy.
way?
I'm an original. Yeah, we got you. JB still sick.
Man, you sure you need me? Cause you
I
look
will-
like you know what you doing.
One.
I will say, this is far better than hearing Trevor pay respects. This is far better than Trevor.
Where the hell are you going? Oh no, you ain't backing out now.
Tanya,
What are you doing?
woman.
You said you'd help me. Where the hell are you going?
I never call someone by
you ain't
woman
backing out
except
now.
for Tanya.
What are you doing? You said
I'm paying
you'd help
respects.
me. Where the hell are you going?
All right, feeling good. There's no. How do I tow? How do I tow? I'm on my phone. How do I tow? How you obviously have a toe fetish. Yeah. Oh, autopilot. All right, let's see how this goes. Low arm and tap hook to hump. It wasn't. So I'm now autopilot now.
That's whack.
Hey, Panda. It's not letting me lower or do anything with the toe. Wait, can I go out this way? No! Oh, I'm out! Get out! Get out! Get! Oh, get out! Oh, get out of there! Get out! Get out! Get up! No, I'm using a controller. I know. I don't know if I don't know if I have to be outside the hook stuff, maybe. Oh, where? Don't mind the screaming. My tires are fucked. No, we're good. We're good.
Jesus.
Jesus. Sorry, you're already dead. It's fine. I'm just helping you. Right, let's find. Right, chat, we can get this. Where did anything go? Where did anything go? Oh!
Oh, hell.
Tanya, I swear to God. Ow, there's a pole run. Ah, it's a cross. It's like Jesus. Jesus is attacking. Oh, it's a train. No! Wait, what are we waiting for? What? No. That's no, there's no way. Is that fake? Wait, disable current vehicle, repair all vehicles. What? That's fake. You helped. You actually fucking no, fuck off, you didn't help. No, that's a lie. No,
That's
no.
right.
Chat take it away and chat give it. What are you gonna take away from me? No, 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 no! What? Wait, what? Fake death? How was that fake? That was detonate! I didn't die! Tanya, no, Tanya, no, you haven't brought Tanya!
You said you'd help me.
And get in the fucking vehicle! Get in!
For real?
Yes, for real! Get in the fucking vehicle!
Man, sorry about that.
Get in! Ah! Ah! What's a fucking alien on my truck? Get up!
Get up, bitch! Hey, what you got?
10-4. We got an empty handicapped spot without a sticker at the Lucky Plucker in Little Seoul. Do you copy?
You know I don't copy. I'm an original. Yeah, we got you. JB still. Yeah, we got you. JB still sick.
Man, you sure you need me? Cause you look like you know what you doing.
One, I can't drive.
You
And
did.
two, this ain't no work for...
Adore you, you're having too much fun. Warwick and Enforce be like, you do not want to know what my Enforcer. I hate Signs. The movie, not the... I love how Tanya's not saying anything. No! Oh, we'll just let it happen. Do you think Elgato made their mic slightly just big enough that you can't eat them?
Dispatch, what you got?
10-4. We got an empty handicapped spot without a sticker at the Lucky Plucker in Little Seoul. Do you copy?
You know I don't copy. I'm an original. Yeah, we got you. JB still sick.
Wrong cop!
Where the hell are you going?
You know what, Tony, that's on me. That's on me, Tony. That is on me. Where are we? Oh. Pardon me. Excuse me. Sorry, pardon me. Excuse me. First the mouse, now the mic. Stop trying to eat your equipment. Stop doing stuff. This mission, when was the first time I started this mission? When was the first time I started this mission? Tanya, get in the fucking vehicle. Tanya.
You said you'd help me.
I am helping you! Get it! Oh.
Oh, hell. Oh, my God.
Get out, get out, get out, get out.
Me.
Get out, Tonya. Get out the fucking car. Oh, you're out. You're all right. Okay, let's just wait. Yeah, we go. There we go. All right, I think we're good now. All right, Tonya, get in. Tonya, get in. Come on, Tonya. Come on, Tonya, get in. Tonya? Where the fuck did you put me, chat? Where the fuck did you put me? Right, you know what? We're clearly not going to do this mission tonight. So instead, what we're going to do is test my PC. That's the wrong thing. Where's Chaos Mod? Is it called Chaos Mod? Is it called Chaos Mod? Yes, it is. Voting is for 30 seconds. Wait, what? Voting. Where's... Oh, voting. Wait, what? Can I not change... Ah, voting. New... Nope, that's 30 seconds. New effect time in 30 seconds. Wait, they've changed it. Can I not choose how to... What? What? They've changed stuff.
Fuck this game. Fuck this game. Fuck you, game. Who are you? Fuck you.
Max amount of simultaneously running effects, 99. You can have up to 99 effects running at the same time. Shall I put 1 second to see what happens, chat? Shall I just put 1 second to see what happens? No. Let's put 5. Let's put 5 and just fucking hope for the best. Where's it?
Dispatch, what you got?
Right.
10-4. We got an SUV in a handicapped spot without a sticker at the Lucky Plucker in Little Seoul. Do you copy?
Go vote!
You know I don't
Spam!
copy. I'm an original.
Just see what happens.
Yeah, we got you.
Just see what
JB
happens.
still sick.
Man, you sure you need me? Because you look like you know what you doing.
One, I can't drive.
I'm going to try to do the mission. U-turn! Oh. The tow truck was undrivable. Really? What is going on? I think the weird pictures not making things better is it should go soon, and the delay camera isn't helping. What is going on? What is going on? I don't know what effect is doing this. We have a bus now, alright. The bus is gone now, alright. we have the whales.
10-4. We got an
Suicide. Just suicide. Just suicide. All right. Yeah, okay. All right. Cool. Amazing way to go out. All right. All right. Oh, thanks, thanks, chat.
Dispatch, what you got?
10-4. We got an SUV and a handicap.
No, alien!
Lucky Plucker and Little Soul. Do you copy?
Right, chat. I think I know
where
I'm going.
Copy. I'm an original.
What's with
Yeah, we got you. JB still sick.
Man, you sure you need me?
No.
Hey. Whoa, this some action movie shit. What is going on? That's whack. You said you'd help me. You said you'd help me. Oh my God. Jesus.
Jesus.
Dispatch, what you got?
10-4. We got an SUV and a handicapped spot without a sticker.
Tanya was spooked apparently by my rockets. Why are we getting out? What are you doing? Pick up your phone. There we go. There we go. That went a long time without crashing. I'm very surprised. It just crashed. I was hoping it would just crash on its weight of itself. So, I was surprised it lasted as long as it did because of how much was going on. I think we finally got my PC where I want it, which is nice. So, yay for PC. Anyway, we're not doing any more of that because I need to lie down. I need to lie down. I hope you enjoyed that chat because I... Anyway, let me just reset it back to 30 seconds before I forget. We are back on Monday, which is my last stream. Thank you, Panda. Panda, what's your current stream streak at the moment, if you've got one? Just so see how close you are to 98 and get rid of that command. We are back on Monday. Monday is my last stream before TwitchCon. Free. Oh, okay, not there. Okay. Yeah. Monday's my last stream before TwitchCon. We got your PC where we wanted next to your screen. Yeah, but when I have that, it doesn't always work. So it's nice that I actually can handle stuff again, which is quite nice. Yeah, Monday is our last stream before TwitchCon. Monday will be an hour of Subnautica 2 as a sponsor stream. Because I'm away for TwitchCon the rest of the week, I can't get it done any later. So we're going to do about an hour of the game. Just check it out. I'm very excited. Very excited. I wish I was doing Momocon. Dokumi. Momocon's this weekend. I wish I was doing Dokumi, which is Germany. It's the same weekend. But I'm excited. I'm very excited. And it'd be nice to see people. It's quite funny. You've got VTubers going, hey, I can't wait to see you. I'm like, that's great. You need to see me. They're like, why? I'm like, because you know what I look like. I don't know what you look like. But yeah, we don't have to behave. You can do what you want. But we're going to try the game for an hour. And then we're going to do some more GTA. So I think it'd be quite fun to do a bit of GTA for the last hour also on Monday. But yeah, we've got a sponsor. I played the first one. I enjoyed the first one. That's where the Suck My Knife clip came from. That was Subnautica. But I'm going to give it a go, see what it's all about. If it's all right. It's in early access, so I'm never a big fan of early access, but Dead as Disco changed my mind on early access, so... Yeah, I think, because I was going to do Tomodachi on Monday, but I haven't had a chance to, and I won't get a chance really to get any more NPCs in, like mods and stuff. The mods, not mods as in for the game, but the mod group in the game. So I thought, rather than trying to rush that through and half-heart it, we'll save it until when I come back.
Warwick drinking.
And I thought if I'm doing an hour of thank you for hydrate. If I'm doing an hour of Subnautica, I might as well just do GTA or something.
Don't want to. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's just an hour they want. I think it's an hour anyway. Hang on, let me just double check. 4 hours. No, imagine. Manage. Yeah, play Subnautica for 1 hour. That's it. That's it. And I don't need to do any like pay. You don't have to buy the game. You don't have to click on any links. You just watch the stream. That's it. Anyway, thanks for today, chat. I had a lot of fun. Thank you. And again, what I said at the beginning of the stream, I genuinely mean it. The reason why I have so much energy is because you lot give me life, and I genuinely mean that. I have so much fun on stream, and I really appreciate you all very, very much. Thank you for allowing me to do what I do and encourage my bad behaviour. It means a lot. Chat is life. I wouldn't go that far, Majorial, but you know, it's fine. Anyway. But I really appreciate you all. Thank you very much for hanging out. It means a lot. I don't know why Twitch doesn't auto mute, but sure. But yeah, Monday is my live stream before TwitchCon. So if you want to see me, please see me Monday. Make sure you send all the love and stuff my way, not to anyone else. Check out Discord. Panda, me and Moz can still see your message, chat, and so I don't really know what doing that will do anything, but you do you, I guess. Check out Discord. Stuff happens in there. I posted when stuff is going on. My review for the scuff. Can I just say? I don't like the word scuff. Right, Panda, I'm going to ignore you because you're clearly not paying attention to my conversation. I loved it. This is a great controller. It's a really nice controller. I don't like that they're calling themselves scuff because for me, scuff means like bad. Is that a British slang or something? Or is it European slang? But scuff is like, oh, that's scuff. That's not very good. Yeah, with it's two Fs. Yeah, I'll search it with tech issues. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's British slang. Scuffed is something that is messed up, ruined, or low quality. So I'm like, what a terrible name. But anyway, it's fine. But yeah, no, it's a really nice controller. It's really, really, really nice. But yeah, it's got 5.4 thousand views on the video, which is very good. So I think we had checked it out. A lot of people go, oh, what's it like with this? I'm like, I don't know. I don't use that controller. It's just a very basic review. It's not even a review. It's just like, this is what I did with it. It's all right. Thank you very much, Fox. And thank you everyone hanging out. Really appreciate it. Let me refresh. Oh.
You cocksucker, motherfucker, asshole, dick cheese, I will fuck
Wait,
you up.
I follow them? Right, hang on, I'm confused with someone else, aren't I? Hang on, wait, let me just double check. Oh, I am. Why do I follow them? Ew. Hello, Martin, welcome in. I really need to clean my follower list. I really need to clean up my follower list. It's always a shame, isn't it, when you see someone and you just like, and they become such a transphobe. I'm not going to call them out because I don't think, you know, I don't want to cause drama and stuff. But it's no one knowing you know and stuff. And not to derail the stream, not that I don't do it anyway. But when you see someone or they see like a it's a lot of VTubers actually. A lot of VTubers do it because I'm chronically online, and they think by just grifting, that's how you get big. And technically, short term, you do because you get a lot of eyes on you. You get like the right and stuff going, oh, you're base, you know, being racist and transphobe. Yeah, let's go. But it's just, why do you want as a community? Like, why do you want that? It's very It's very I mean, I'll share with people in DMs and stuff, but I won't call them out on stream because I don't think it'd be very fair, regardless of the garbage that they are. But yeah, I was trying to figure out why I followed them. But yeah, I think it's one of those ones that like, oh, I'm not getting any traction. I know, I'll just be a transphobe and just call out LGBTQIA plus because I can get the fucking grifters on my side for a little bit. I'm like, all right, you do you, I guess. It's really weird time to spend your time. Like, again, you don't have to like stuff, and I would rather you like people being themselves, but you do you, I guess. But I just wish that if you didn't like something, just don't engage with it. Like, what are you making it your own thing for? It's like, oh, I'm going to make this my problem. I'm going to grift and like, I'm going to disregard people's identities. I'm like, all right. A bit sad, but all right. Anyway, it's a shame because I've seen it a few times where people will just go, I can't get popular, I'll become a grifter. I'm like, all right, you do you, I guess. Anyway, I was going to raid someone, but I think I might have finished. Not that person. That'd be a very funny stream to raid into. Hey, I don't like you anymore. Here's my community. Fuck you. Where are they? I was going to raid... Who was going to raid someone? Oh, wait. Did they just end stream? Wait, did they just end stream? Oh, no. They're still streaming. I think. Oh, no. It might be ending. They might be ending. Why is everyone ending their streams for? Stop it. I want to raid into you. No, okay, I think they are ending, or I think they're wrapping up stream. Fine! No raid for you then. Raid even harder. No, because I do it. If I get raided like late night, like near the stream, I feel like if I'm here, I will raid out regardless. But I do feel bad. Like, I feel like I need to stay on longer because I don't want to just raid out again. And I know other people, and I know this person would feel the same way. I'm like, no. I really do need to clean up my follower list to check who's fucking grifter or not. But yeah, like if you don't like something, then sure. But just go do something else. Like go just enjoy something else. Let people be you. Like I don't like that there are people out there who disregard how I identify. But I don't go and seek them out and wish they don't exist. I think everyone should exist. I just wish they allow me to exist or other people to exist, you know? Oh! Who's excited for Yoshi? Who's excited for Yoshi? Nintendo actually sent me a fucking care package. Thanks. Well, PR company. Who likes Nintendo? Who loves Nintendo? Woo! But yeah, the new Yoshi is out. It's a very paradoxical way of thinking. Exactly. It's like, I hate this thing, so I'll talk about it. I'm like, all right. I mean, I would talk about stuff that I like, but you go off, King, I guess. Thank you. I was really proud. I did it on the same day as well. I think I've got, like, I would like to do more for my unboxings, like do voiceovers, but like with that stuff like that, I think I've got because I've got my little tripod here now. Hello, hon. Hope you're doing well. Which is positioned quite well, so I'm able to record stuff. And yeah, I found like a good flow with the unboxing videos that I can sort of pump them out quite quickly, which is very handy. Anyway, chat, thanks for hanging out. I really, really appreciate it. I'm going to say hi to Sayu VTuber. They are currently playing Yoshi and the Mysterious Book. So please copy a little message. Would appreciate it. They're not ending, are they? Please don't. No, you're going to be streaming 3 hours. Fuck off. Warwick, are you telling someone you're about to raid to fuck off? Yes, I am. That's how you stream. Sorry, you never heard him. Shut up, X. Yeah. You probably heard them in all your favorite games, but they voice every fucking game. Anyway, chat, thank you very, very, very much for today. Really had a good time. I'm glad that I was able to stream. I'm glad that the fan wasn't too loud, that you weren't able to hear it, so I can have 2 fans on. I will be back with this channel in about an hour or so. In the dark. I'm going to have some food. I'll be back on stream on Monday for my last stream before TwitchCon. Very excited for TwitchCon. Thank you, Leon. Appreciate it very much. I'll be up for a few more hours. I'm playing some D&D. I'm playing Samantha Bag, or Shitbag, who's based on a character in Resident Evil, which I've forgotten the name of. Sherry. And him little shit is great. And Tough is my Russian mum. Anyway, chat, I love you all. Had a lot of fun. Please say I saw you for us. Please copyright it if you haven't already. Please check out all my content, all my YouTubers and stuff. Thank you everyone who leaves a comment or a like. It really, really helps. Like, I know YouTubers go, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. It really, really, really helps. Leon, D&D is a lot of fun. If you've got any questions, ask in the TNT Discord channel. But chat, until then, thank you very much for being here. Appreciate all the love and support. Really means a lot to me. Thanks for making my days and my time the best it can be, because you lot make me smile. And we'll see you maybe back within an hour or on my channel Monday.